Ah, hello, is I, wait a second. Ah, hello, is I the Hurdensplurgen in the day. In the day. Jak and Daxter. I am tired. As per the news. But mainly because I had like a long day at work. It wasn't even that long of a day at work. It was actually like the normal length of the day at work. But I'm just like tired. It fucking killed me. In fact, it hurt physically because my foot is in pain. I hurt my foot today at work, and now my foot, my money maker, is in pain and suffering. It's pain. It's pain, Becco. Pain. It's not that bad. I'm overreacting. I know, but it does hurt a little bit whenever I walk on it, and like whenever I like twist it like certain ways, it's a little bit of pain. It's not like debilitating. I didn't break anything. Hi, you guys vlog. Hello, you guys vlog. How are you? I didn't break anything, but I did hurt my foot too, and so that's no bueno. That's not fun. Ah. Other than that, I'm gaming. I'm also tired, but hey, it is what it is. Ah. I don't know what to ramble about. I don't know what to talk about. I am head empty. No thoughts. No thoughts. Head empty. No thoughts. Head empty. Always empty. Always empty, coach. Sorry, there's no thoughts. Steam Winter Sale just started today, by the way. I don't know if there's any games I'm gonna pick up on it because I've kind of like every single game that I would ever want in a million years. I already have too many games to play. But there's the Steam sale, and I'm tempted. I'm tempted to spend copious amounts of money to buy more games that I'm not gonna have time to play. I should probably buy Eliza P. I should probably get Eliza P and like AI Limit and Code Vein. I should get those games. Those are some decent Souls likes, and I haven't been playing a lot of Souls likes recently. That's because From Software has decided stop making video games. God damn it, From Software, make stuff. Let me buy your games. God damn it, Miyazaki. And I've heard good things about Liza PP Poo Poo. I just haven't gotten around to playing it. Which I could say that about a lot of games. I'm looking at the Steam Winter Sale right now because there's games on sale. And I'm addicted to buying games on sale. What is this? So there is so many games on my wish list. I don't even recognize half of them. I just found a game that was on my wish list that I added like 2 years ago or something like that. I don't remember this game at all. When did I add it to my wish list? I don't remember that. Oh well. I don't have anything to talk about. I don't think I have anything to ramble about. My fault. Hold on. So I'm doing stuff, I'm clicking on things, I'm clicking buttons, I'm clicking on things, I'm clicking a lot of things right now. There's so many things that I'm clicking on. I've clicked on things, I'm going back to the game. Alright, there's nothing else for me to talk about. I have no words. Nothing has happened. Nothing interesting has happened today. Nothing interesting has really happened today. And nothing super great, nothing super interesting happened today. Today's just been a day. I hurt my foot at work, and other than that, it has been a day. So, let's pause the music and get back into that game as soon as I figure out how to unmute the game again. There we go. There you go. I wanted to boost the audio from myself. Yeah. Alright. Back into Daxter. Back into Daxter. Daxter time. By the way, Elden Ring, speaking of Souls likes and From Software, Elden Ring Night Rain. That's a game that we played a couple of times on stream. New content released last night. And I didn't realize it. Because I could have streamed that. I could have streamed the new content. But I didn't, and I just did it off stream. Believe me, trust me. I did it off stream. I did it off first try. Zero deaths. Didn't get mad. Didn't get angry, didn't rage quit at all. I actually did. I actually beat it first try. Surprisingly, I actually beat the new boss in Elden Ring Night Rain first try. Made the power of Fireball and Vodka come for this alpha change. Oh my gosh, think I ever taken my clothes off and putting new ones on me. Nope, you lost the game. Better luck next time, Baguetsy. Ah. Thank you for trying to gamble. Also, hello, Baguetsy. How are you? My foot hurt. I'm gonna throw a chair in this car. I'm gonna throw a chair in the car. Don't throw a chair in the car. They go meow meow. Don't hurt the cars. The cars need their legs and their 9 lives. Ooh, car. Yo, what up, bro? What up, dude? You get it, dude. Oh, you're gonna nuke them? Yeah, we'll nuke them. Yeah, damn, we're gonna nuke them, dude. Oh, nuke the dudes. Oh, we're about to nuke dudes. Oh, do well. I'm drunk. Well, I'm drunk. How's you? I'm tired. My foot also hurt because I hurt my foot at work today. But anyways, we're nuking dudes right now. Wait, what's this? What's the drink of choice? Well, I believe Fireball and vodka, since that is what he said like previously. But hey, dude, I need you, dude. All right, never mind. I didn't want to nuke him anyways. I want this instead. Yeah, I know, dude. Oh, I failed. I didn't realize I had to fall. My fault, gang. Airborne version standard. Instant churros. Oh my gosh. Don't forget about that you have food this time, okay? Remember that you have food. I know you like to forget that you have food and substance and do not like to consume calories into your body hole. You like nuke the dude? I want the egg though. Egg. I already kind of forgot. They're just kind of hard and cold. What do you mean? Ooh, you're kind of hard right now. I mean, what? I mean, I'm always hard. I'm usually warm at the same time, but hey. Can you like nuke the guy already? My brother in Christ. I've been like following him. Bruh. You bastard!
Get beside the box, little dude.
I know, I'm trying. I'm sniffing his balls right now. I can literally see it glowing. I'm on his asshole. You just don't want to do it for some reason. Come on. I don't like this class. I don't like this mission. This mission's annoying. This mission's dumb. This mission's stupid. This mission is balls. You like not? Bruh. I was not doing something and talking about a certain place. Yes, you were. You said that you forgot that you were rock hard. You said that you forgot that you were rock hard right now. That's exactly what you said, word for word. I'm on top of him. What do you mean? Where are you going? You were a fish. You were flying on land. What do I do here? I'm chasing him. I'm failing at the chase. God damn it. He just juked me. Get back here. Come on, dude. Dude, man, dude. No? Yes. I was looking at a sale on a certain site. What, Pornhub? Or Steam? Because the Steam's winter sale is here. And you can buy all the games that you want to buy. For toys. For sex toys. Okay. Of course, you were looking at Bad Dragon. Of course. Dude, could you like blow up and like die in like a hole and just like stop existing? What am I supposed to do? I'm chasing him. He said right up next to the dude. I have to press a button! You did not tell me I have to press button. You did not tell me, game, that I have to press button bombs for bomb. You did not tell me I have to press RB for bomb. There was no RB bomb button control. I am now bomb. I thought I just had to ride on top of him. I thought I had to ride him. I thought I had to ride a man. But no, I have to bomb him. Okay. I hate this game. Awful game. Terrible game. Not game of the year. Where are you going? Get back up here. Get up here. Here. a better site, so it would cost me like $200 for the device. You know what? Fair. At Dragon as also like, you know, a bunch of people who are very weird use that site. And by use that site, I mean like the people who make that site, run that site, are a bunch of very weird people who do very questionable things to animals. And I'm not joking about that. Don't use that website. What site? Bad Dragons. Huh? What the fuck? That's what they're known for. I was looking at Lovesons. No, you know what? Fair. 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 Thank you for mentioning a sex toy website in my chat, by the way. I appreciate that. Very much appreciate it. Ignore the fact that I've said it myself. No, I'm blaming you now. It's your fault. I haven't been on Bad Dragon. It's fair. It's still a shit stained website. Don't go there. Don't go there. Man, this is something of a Bad Dragon in of himself. God damn it. There we go. I hate that.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah,
That was
dude.
Supremo radical.
Radical, dude.
Pop said you should head back to that construction site.
Okay,
Looks like something
dude.
mucho not bueno going on
No
there.
bueno? Oh my gosh, dude. You're speaking my language, dude. Dude, you know my nacho. You know my nacho, bro, dude. No bueno, dude. You know. Hola. Nacho. No bueno. I too speak Spanish, dude. I didn't even know it was a toy thing. How do I know what is a toy thing? Lovesons? Or Bad Dragon? Also, alright, how are you? Yes? Because I've been to the websites. Of course I know what I know they are a toy thing. Of course I know they're a toy thing. Of course I've been to the website. Of course I own their products. What do you mean? Of course I do. Like, you don't even have to ask that. You know this. You should be well aware of this. Of course I've bought multiple of their products. Huh? Anyways. The only thing I would get is random toys, pirate possession. You know what? Fair. The holy dildo. Me when I have a Moby Huge in the corner of my room. That's way too big to insert, so it's just like sitting there, like collecting dust. Owning a Lovesons is like an honor. I mean, it's certainly an honor to my wallet, considering how much money it steals. Moby Suit is so bad just to have it. You know what? That's fair. I mean, you can't use it. Like, it's just gonna be a massive set piece, and it would be a cool set piece. Let me tell you what. Having a massive dildo as a set piece in your room, now that's fucking banger. Banger? I hardly even know. Greetings, Mr. Spurgeon, raging with their wife. So I can't speak right now. Because my eyes are currently closing on themselves. Out of tiredness. How do I get to the egg up above me? How do egg? Egg! Oh, there's more eggs over there. It costs so much, so it must be nice to have a fine piece of furniture. Start drinking. Do not encourage other people to start drinking. Not everyone needs to be an alcoholic like you. How you start drinking, huh? How you drink more? How much does a Moby Huge cost? Moby Huge cost. Holy cannoli, Batman! That's 600 American dollarinos. That's 600 bald eagles. Oh, it's because it's the black one I'm looking at. Oh, how much would a white one cost? Ah, it's around a foot less, so it's, you know, cheaper as well. I am drinking, of course you are. Like 600, yeah, it's 600 bald eagles. It's so much. Why? I'm not gonna buy that. Like, it would be cool if I did buy that. It would be absolutely funny. But like, I don't have that type of money. That type of money for me goes to like plushies and like computer technology. Technology. That amount of money can buy me one RAM stick. That amount of money can buy me one 4 GB RAM stick. Because, god damn it, the fucking AI overlords are just being assholes and just buying up all the RAM. Yum 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 yum. I love my RAM. Tasty RAM. Which is a real big shame that I like bricked 2 RAM sticks earlier this year. And by earlier this year, I mean like a couple months ago. I bricked a couple of RAM sticks. I replaced them with RAM sticks I had in a different PC, which they do work, but they're not as fast. So I have like 2 really, really good and fast RAM sticks in my PC, and then 2 not so very good and fast ones, right? 2 not so fast ones. Oh, there it is. There's the other Shabonis. How do I get to them? First, oh my gosh, congratulations on the first fight. You're so cool, you're so awesome. Congratulations on being in the first 20 minutes in chat. 20 minutes in the stream. You and your plushies, I know. Listen, they're cute, they're adorable, I want them. Yummy and tasty RAM. Do be yummy and tasty, I'm eating up all the RAM. The money can get me out of credit card debt. Credit card debt. Credit card debt. Counterpoint, just don't pay back your credit card debt. Counterpoint, just don't pay it back. Skill issue. Edgar. Me and Edar. Me when I eat up some tasty RAM. So that the AI overlords don't steal it. Alright. Alright, goodbye, dude man, big bro. Dude man, big bro. So what you're saying is I should get a credit card for that credit card, just keep on repeating. Yes. Yes. And then just never pay it back. A credit card is basically just free money after all. Like, the bank just gives you money to just buy stuff. You don't have to pay it back. That's what a credit card is for. I'm an AI overlord. Oh my gosh. Of course you are, right? Roger, turn down the price of RAM. Make it so that I can afford buying a 4 GB RAM stick, please. RAM is becoming so expensive now. Please. Please. It's becoming so expensive. I don't think people are going to be afford. Well, people can't afford to make PCs now. PC technology is too expensive to make now because the AI overlords have been stealing all the RAM. So now, no one has the technology to actually use the AI. That's going to happen eventually in the future. Eventually, AI is going to cause hardware to regress to the point where no one can even use the AI software. All because people are buying up and wasting all the hardware to like make the software. Oh, no, what do you mean? No, I need my RAM. I need my good RAM. Oh. I almost forgot to play this game. I forgot how to play this game. I took so many RAM sticks from school. Did you really? For one, why? Also, two, why? You know, I don't have the tinfoil hat because I'm too lazy to make it. I'm sorry. Also, I'm sure those RAM sticks are like pieces of shit. And A, you can also just resell them and just make a shitload of money because, you know, naturally, RAM is currently on the market for like $10 gajillion. Is that like green dots to get me over here? Can I make that back? Ugh. God damn it. Oh, we got one. Wait a minute, Santa Claus. Hold on, let's go visit Santa Claus. There's more movie references that we can experience. There's more movies that I haven't watched. Let's go experience those. Because I'm definitely not gonna understand. We have like 2 movie reference things. I think 2. I think it's 2. I think it's 2 movie references. It might be 1. It might be 1. I wanted to get that up there, but I'm too lazy. Yeah, when I was doing my externship, we were doing inventory for electronics, and they were like 8 GB, I think. Holy shit, sell those things, coach. You're gonna make billions. You have an 8 GB RAM stick that you stole from your school? Holy shit. Give me that money. Sell it and then give me the money to me. I want movie references. Well, you will get movie references in like 5 seconds whenever I go over to the bed and like take nap time. Nap time because I'm really tired right now. Nap time. Next movie. That's Indiana Jones. Okay. Is that just The Matrix, just the second? Indiana Jones, oh my gosh. Holy shit, I do watch movies. Oh, wow, what? Oh, holy shit. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, I can't believe Hurdensplurgen understands it. I haven't watched it. Listen, I haven't watched Indiana Jones. But I recognize Indiana Jones. I think I took like 2 switches as well. And like 3 1TB SSDs and 2TB hard. You know, those are cheap, okay? Listen, switches and SSDs, nah, you can get those for like $50. But RAM sticks are where it at, coach. Because those bad boys are like overpriced. Snakes. What? Boulder. Boulder. Okay, that was a boulder. Boulder. Air leaving Lord. Spider. Ah. Please. Thank you, Sorrybot. Have I mentioned I love Sorrybot? Sorrybot's cool. Sorrybot's cool. Boulder. Those good boys are. Those good boys are good boys. What? Holy shit! Are you buying boys right now? Where? What website can I go to purchase boys at? Where can I go to purchase femboys? Where can I go to purchase my femboy slaves at? Asking for a friend, asking for a friend. I want to know just so I can stay away from the website, you know. I don't I'm not gay, but fuck, I pressed the wrong button that time. Oh, well, we did. Like a 48 slot switch and I think like a 24. Walmart or Costco. Of course. Max health has been increased. Okay. Nap time. Nap time. The Matrix times 2? The fuck does this have to do with the Matrix? The fuck does this have to do? This ain't the Matrix. This is fucking kung fu. This is Bruce Lee. This is a Bruce Lee movie. This isn't the Matrix. Where's the Matrix scene of this? Wait, where is this the Chinese Matrix? When was the Matrix did they like turn Chinese and like start like beatboxing an old dude? Huh? You are just in the Gation. What? You are definitely gay. Girl, you are a gamer. I'm not. I might be a mer, but I'm not gay. I'm gonna look at my body needs to rest from one drinking tomorrow for a special day. Now good twins. Okay, bye. Go have fun drinking. Go to sleep. Go beddy bed. I appreciate you stopping by. The music, I know what it is. I don't, because I never watched the Matrix movies. But this is apparently Matrix because the symbol on the top left is Matrix. However, this I don't know because again, I haven't seen the Matrix. I am pressing buttons. Holy shit, the Matrix! Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh, holy shit, slow motion. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just beat up an old man. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. That's crazy. I'm certainly pressing button. This is a very big button pressing moment. I'm pressing all the buttons in the world right now. I for real am pressing buttons. Backflip. And then grab them and then just like toss them. Even I beat up an elderly man. Okay. Sorry, I'm bored. This movie scene isn't very interesting. The movie stuff is cool, that there's movie tie-ins and movie references. They're not exactly fun. I'm also fucking tired. I'm also tired. The moment I beat this game, I'm going to lay down in bed and go to sleep. Like the instant. I'm gonna go instant EP kill mode. Because I am cripplingly tired. I'm not gonna lie to you, I thought about not streaming tonight. Because I'm so tired. But I decided, hey, I want to beat this game. And so we're finishing this game tonight. I might be tired, but don't talk about that tiredness. Don't stop me from playing video games. Listen, I like video game, and video game is cool. Whoa.
That was confusing.
Okay. Wait, what? Ah! Oh my gosh. New move. Oh. What? How do I do it? Oh, that's how I do it. New move. It's like Jack's move. It's like Jack's move. It's like Jack's move. It's the Jack move where he like smacks his face into the ground. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's just like Jak 2. It's just like Jak 2 and Jak 3. Holy shiz. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyways. Also, something I was thinking about. I took a week off a break. I don't know if I'm going to go on vacation or not. It's a maybe. It's a certified maybe. I don't know if I'm actually going to go on vacation. If I don't, I might just start stream earlier in the day and do like an extra long stream. Like do something like a 12-hour long stream. If not longer. I've thought about that. If I don't go on vacation, right? Because I already took the days off of work. I already applied to take the days off of work, right? That's a big if moment. If. Also, I'm out of juice. I can't get this because I'm out of juice. I don't have any juice. I ain't got no fluid. Yeah, my balls are empty. And Jak 4 and Jak 5. Unfortunately, there's no Jak 4 and Jak 5. If there was, I would be referencing them as well because like those would be actually cool games. But there's no Jak 4 and Jak 5. Ah, there's a Jak 10, but there's no Jak 4 or Jak 5. Weird. They went Jak 1, 2, 3. Skipped all the numbers between 3 and 10, and then they did 10. They skipped 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and they just went straight to 10. Crazy, I know, right? Alright. Ice spin. It's a big maybe though. Crazy? I was crazy twice. They locked me in a room. A wobble filled with twice flats. Twice flats? Yeah. That's made me crazy twice. But that's a big maybe on like me streaming, like during the day. Even if I, don't go on vacation, it's still a maybe. There's no guarantee. Because again, I may go on vacation, I may not. I don't know. I don't know nothing. Listen, coach, I don't fucking know nothing. I don't know anything. I don't know nothing. I don't know words. I've never known anything. I miss that. I don't know anything. No thoughts. Head empty. I've got no knowledge. Okay. Don't look down. Okay. I know everything. Of course you do. Mr. Right, am I going on vacation in like 2 weeks? Am I going on vacation in 2 weeks, Mr. Knowledge Man? I'm full of thoughts. You're so full of thoughts right now. Do you know if I'm going on vacation so I can actually stream? Because if I do, I can just like speed run. And by speed run, I mean like not speed run at all, but like play like an entire Kingdom Hearts game in one. No, that's not gonna happen. The Kingdom Hearts games are gonna be like super long, so you're not going to need my stream. Of course, I'm gonna be doing extra long streams. Oh hell yeah! Oh hell yeah! Thank you, Rai, for confirming. Thank you, Rai, who definitely knows my schedule. I think you're right, it was definitely, you know, my mother, so, the person who decides whether or not I'm going on vacation or not. Ow. Ow. Owie. Oh well. Use the flame strings to move platforms? What? I don't want to move the platforms. That's why. That's why. I can see the future. That's why. Of course, Mr. Future Man. Of course. Oh my gosh. If you can see the future, why didn't you stop 9/11? Huh? Why'd you just let it happen? You were supposed to stop 9/11. You could have stopped 9/11. And you decided to let it happen? Oh, why? Why though? I was a bit, you know what, fair enough. Were you a baby? The way you talk makes me believe that you're younger than me. And considering that I was a baby when 9/11 happened, I don't think you were born. I think you might be lying again. That or you might just be wrong. I can go back in time. I can go back in time and stop it. I can't? Oh. But you could have seen the future. You saw the future as a baby. You could have stopped it as a baby. What was stop? No one saw it. What was stopping baby? You could have stopped it. If you tried hard enough. You mean I am a baby? As you were also a baby. I'm always baby. Hey, yeah, you were very much correct. I am baby. I am baby. A big baby, but hey, I'm a baby. I would never be old. Being old is for old people. I'm not old. I'm a baby. That's why I play retro video games. That's why I play children's video games all the time. These are baby games made for babies, and I am baby. That's why I play them. Ah. Really? Where are we dropping, boys? I saw the spiders there. Oh. Okay. I'm more tired than I was yesterday, by the way, and I slept better. The sleep I had last night was better than I had like the night before, and I'm even more tired. This is why I don't go to bed early. This is why I do not go to bed early, because when I go to bed early and like get more sleep, I end up being more tired than what I would be normally. Because I actually did go to bed early last night, and I got more sleep than like normal, and I just ended up extra tired. I'm more tired. This is why you don't get more sleep. This is why you never sleep. Remember, chat, now don't sleep. Sleep is bad for you. Sleep makes you tired. I'm gonna die. You like give me health? Bruh. I have no health. Oh, was there anything else down here? No. Please? Please? Thank you. You know, I was reading an article the other day saying how people are always tired because they spend the day overthinking. I don't think during... Maybe I do think. Maybe I do overthink. I mean, I just think because I'm bored. I don't overthink about things, so I just think. It's not overthinking, I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking 24/7 because, like, I'm bored. Like, what else am I supposed to do with my free time? Like, not think? Huh? Nah, I gotta think. I just think about random crap while I'm at work. I'm not like stressing about shit. I'm just like thinking about things. I don't even remember what I was thinking about. I can't even give you an example. Actually, I could probably tell you. I was probably thinking about Destiny or like video games. Not gonna lie. I was thinking about streaming. I was thinking about streaming. I was thinking about video games, and I was thinking about streamers who I like to watch. Like those are the things that I was thinking about. Do those classify as overthinking? I wouldn't say so. Hey. I don't know the article said that. Might not be what you have. I highly doubt that because I am not a very stressful thinker. In fact, I actively try not to overcomplicate things. There might be another reason why you're always tired. Yeah, it's because I'm awake during like nighttime. It's because I sleep during the day.
Daxter, the management says you've got to destroy
Okay.
every one of those termite mounds before they activate the exit elevator.
Ow. Oh, fire.
My keen exterminator sense tells me that these termite mounds are the problem.
Of course, of course, of course. Definitely not the person who told you that they were the problem. But that's probably the reason why I'm like tired most of the time. It's because I just mean you fucking daylight. I don't go outside. I don't touch grass. Also, I have a physically exhausting job, so I am physically exhausted all the time. I'm also not sleeping as much because, you know, because my work has been asking me to come earlier. Can I like actually land on this thing? There we go, thank you. So I'm not like getting as much sleep as I was like a couple of weeks ago, which is a big reason. That's the number one reason, by the way, why I'm like so tired now compared to I was like a month ago. Work asked me to come in an hour earlier because like we were getting more busy because it's like near Christmas time. So I'm just perpetually tired because now I'm not getting as much sleep. Wait, no, I didn't realize there was a grabby. I also sleep during the night and I don't feel that tired. I mean, it is different for everyone. But for more people than not, if you have a more nocturnal sleep schedule, it fucks with you being tired all the time. It fucks with your sleep, yes. It fucks with your sleep quality. That is something doctors say. And of course, I am a doctor. Of course, I am a doctor, so I know. I am very well aware. I say that because I am a doctor. Of course, of course, of course. Well, I also spend the day outside and do biking. I mean, that is fair. But also, just because the thing is true for you doesn't necessarily mean the thing's going to be true for me as well, right? Because again, we are two different people. Our biology is two different peoples. Your biology is different than mine. Ah, of course, of course, of course. Yes. Just saying what I do. You know what? That is incredibly fair. You are allowed to tell me about things about your personal life. You are allowed to tell me all this personal details of your life. I just fucking jumped off the map. You are allowed to give me all your personal details, including your credit card number, your mother's maiden name, and the 3 funny digits on the back of your credit card. Yes. You can tell me all of that. I'll appreciate it. I'd love to know. I'd very much love to know. My credit card expired. Yeah, that's crazy. Get a new one so you can tell me. Get a new credit card so you can give me it. Hello? Oh. Are you still alive? You are. Ow. Bastard. I missed the metalhead. Sorry. It's okay, right? I still appreciate you being here, even though you don't want to give me your credit card information. Even though you're being stingy. And don't want to share your credit card with me. Even though you don't want to share me with your address with me, and your credit card, and all your personal identifiable information. I still appreciate you being here. A real Hurdensplurgen fan would give me all their personal information. A real Hurdensplurgen fan would give me their social security number so I can become legally. Could you... Here we go. Hey! I did it. There's another eggy up here, right? Yeah. I am, of course, being 100% serious in this. I live in 123 Fake Street. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, I'm coming to your house right now. I'm stealing your info. I'm doxing you. Get doxed, idiot. Thank you for the very real address that you very much live in. Thank you for the very real location that you live in. Huh. That's crazy. I fell through the smallest of fucking gaps. Oh. Alright. Thank you, Daxter. Wait. Thank you, Daxter. That was a reference? Well, too bad for you. I don't watch movies, so I do not understand what you are referencing. What a fucking corridor. I probably do know it, I just don't remember it. What's it from? I don't know. Nah, I probably don't know it. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's from a TV show? Very famous? The Office? With more than 30 seasons? The Office? Cartoon? SpongeBob? SpongeBob SquarePants? SpongeBob SquarePants, like the newer seasons that I haven't watched? Hey. Oh. Owie, thank you for beating me up, I appreciate it. I don't know. Dexter's Laboratory? This, I don't fucking watch The Simpsons. That's an adult cartoon. Right, listen, that's an adult cartoon. I don't fucking watch adult cartoons. I watch children's shows. Come on. What the fuck do you mean, what the fuck? I've told you, I only watch children. I play children's video games and watch children's cartoons. I'm not gonna watch an adult. It's not. It airs on Adult Swim. It airs on Adult Swim. What do you mean it's not an adult cartoon? It is a cartoon that is designed for adult audiences, not children audiences, adult audiences. Family Guy is an adult cartoon, and so is The Simpsons. Both of them fit the same shtick. Both of them fit the same bill. They are both adult cartoons. The Simpsons is on Fox. It's also on, what's it called? What did I say it was? I'm already blanking on what I said. It's an adult cartoon. It is absolutely an adult cartoon. There is no way you can just tell me it's not an adult cartoon. There is way too much violence in it for it to not be an adult cartoon. There's way too much family violence in it to not be an adult cartoon. There's too much domesticated violence. Even I domesticate my violence. What? I wasn't expecting a choice.
if we keep
Yo, what up,
being like
lady?
this,
What a
people will
ma'am.
start to talk.
Ma'am.
If we don't
Sorry,
stop
ma'am.
this
Sorry,
metal bug
ma'am. Sorry,
infestation,
ma'am.
there won't be any people left.
Okay.
No problem. Then it'd just be you and me, baby.
Ooh,
Starting
ooh.
civilization
Hello,
all
boobs.
over again.
Okay, fine.
It's
I
not
am
bad,
correct in this.
Fuzzball.
Fuzzball. Hey there,
Still,
Fuzzball.
You are useful in handling the smaller problems around here. I suppose you're ready for a real tour.
Hey there, Fuzzball.
If you've got the fur for it.
Ooh, ooh.
That's
New
an ultrasonic
toy.
attachment. It's experimental.
Okay.
Experimental. Ooh, I like the sound of that.
Hey, watch where you point that thing. I don't actually know what it does.
It's in good hands, baby.
Okay. I'm gonna save because I haven't saved in a while. Save. Yes. Hello, sir. Hello, tall man.
You again.
Who is definitely not doing blackface.
I set a trap to catch the queen and end this mess, but she won't take the bait.
Okay.
That's where you come in.
I can't even tell what that is. What was that supposed to be? Because it's not 3 asterisks. But that's supposed to be a link. Are you trying to send a link? Fuck. What was that even supposed to be? Get fucked, idiot. In not the sexual way. Ah. You forgot to press Control V. You forgot to press Control V. You forgot to press Control V. You forgot to press Control V, idiot. Ah. Invalid point. In many aspects, as a kid shows, with more adult-oriented jokes, not necessarily a ranchy or perverted sense, but in a sense that an adult would understand them, be they in political or psychological or on media. Exactly. So it's an adult cartoon. It is a cartoon that is primarily orientated towards an adult audience. Therefore, it's an adult cartoon. It is not a kid show. Like, if the humor, if in every way, shape, and form it's designed in such a way that only an adult would get it, then it's an adult. It's an adult show. I don't know many kids who who actively enjoy The Simpsons. The Simpsons is something that's primarily enjoyed by adults. Same way with Family Guy. I watched it as a kid. I didn't. And I liked it. I did not watch The Simpsons as a kid. And I didn't like it. I watched like 2 episodes and did not enjoy it. Family Guy is something is not something I like. Family Guy is something that I also do not like. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, by the way. I wasn't actually paying attention much. Oh wait, we have a new thing. Aha! New thing! Holy shit. Whoa! Whoa! New technology. New technology. Oh. New technology. 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 I can make that with the green. I think I can only make that with the green. You and your technology. Well, technology is very useful in this game. Anyway, speaking of cartoons, SpongeBob, that's great. That was the main thing that I watched as a child. I mean, I watched a bunch of other cartoons, but like SpongeBob SquarePants was like the biggest thing. Of course, I watched, you know, the Fairly Odd Parents and other popular, and like Back in the Barnyard and other popular children's shows. But like, that's what I watched, like actual children's shows, like shit that children would watch. Ah. The Adventures of Fanboy and Gumball. Fanboy and Gumball. Chum Chum. What? Fanboy and Gumball? No, it was Fanboy and Chum Chum. Yeah, then there's the Adventures of Gumball and other shit. I watched a lot of shows. It was a fucking show. It was a show. It was dumb. It was very dumb. It was not a good show. I do not recommend watching that show, but I watched it. I enjoyed it. It came on Nickelodeon? Cartoon Network? It came on some platform and I watched it. And I enjoyed it. Was it a stupid show? Was it great? Do I recommend watching it? No. Did I watch it? Yes. It must be Nickelodeon. It probably is. More than likely, I'd say Nickelodeon. But also, it could also be Cartoon Network. I would not be surprised if it's Cartoon Network either. Explode! Right. Did y'all watch American Dad? I did not. Not as a child, no. Because it's another that's a very, very, very adult show. That is very much an adult show. That is more adult than Family Guy or The Simpsons ever. That's like the most adult show. Like, of all time. But I did not watch it. I've heard good things about the show. I'm sure it's good, right? But like... I didn't watch it. I watched SpongeBob SquarePants. That's what I watched. That's also very similar to Family Guy. I haven't watched it. Maybe parts of an episode. I've seen clips of it. I've seen clips, which of course I have, because I watch everything through YouTube Shorts. Because I'm too ADHD ready to actually sit down and watch the show. But I've seen a lot of clips on YouTube Shorts from like Family Guy and American Dad. I've seen a lot of those clips. Right? I have. Naturally, of course, which is a surprise to no one. Which is a surprise to literally no one that I've watched them through YouTube Shorts. But I have seen a lot of clips on both of them. And I'm gonna be honest, they're not something that I would like actually sit down and watch. Like, they're okay, but like, eh. Ow. There's nothing bad with the show. It's just not my cup of tea. This is not my cup of tea at all, coach. There's some good jokes, but I just don't like just don't think about watching it. Yeah. Like, the show itself, it's fine. It's good, right? It's just not my cup of tea. It's not something that, like, you know, drives to me. There's nothing to write home about. Mainly because me, I prefer children's show. I play children's video games, for fuck's sakes. My favorite video game is a 3D children's platformer. Sly Cooper. I like my furry games and my children's games. That's all I play. Furry games and children's games. You bastards. Ignore the fact that we're currently playing a furry children's game right now. In your Pac-Man games. I mean, Pac-Man's a furry. Pac-Man is also a children's game. The Pac-Man games are definitely 3D children's platformers. That definitely fits the bill. Ah. Which I never played Pac-Man World 1 as a kid, right? I didn't. Still a very good game. Still a very good game. But it was on the PlayStation 1, so I never actually got to play as a kid. And I didn't have a PlayStation 1. I had a PlayStation 2. Speaking of, I should probably go play more PlayStation 1 games. Because, you know, I have a technology now, and we can, like, emulate them. We can, like, emulate PlayStation 1 games. What PlayStation 1 games are there that are, like, actually good? I have played a few on the emulator. Uh-oh, that's not good. What good PlayStation 1 games are there, right? Because I played Silent Hill 1, and I played the Armored Core games. That's all I've done with the PlayStation 1 emulator. That's all I've done on PlayStation 1. I know there's like old Final Fantasy games that are on PlayStation. On the PS1. But like... What games would I actually enjoy? Oh, that's not good. I believe you've never watched shows like iCarly, Victoria's Big Time Rush. Well, you would believe wrong, because I have. I have absolutely watched those shows. I wasn't super big into them. My sister was enjoyed them more than me, but I absolutely did see them. My sister liked them more. But it's not a cartoon. I haven't just watched cartoons. Cartoons were the main thing. I watched other shit too. It was just primarily cartoons. It was primarily cartoons. I did absolutely watch those shows. Again, it was I watched those shows mostly because my sister was into them, right? And so like whenever I would go like, you know, downstairs, my sister would be watching them and be like, okay, I'll watch this as well. Hey, what have you watched? I listed most. I am stupid. I can't remember everything. I've listed like the cartoons I've watched. I watched Big Time Rush, iCarly, Victorious. The show that was about like a hotel. I forget what it's fucking called. It's like, oh, would you like green eggs and ham? With the butler dude who goes like, ooh, like green eggs and ham. Like Jak and Cody or whatever the fuck it was called. Jak and Cody, I was right about it. Ah. Did you watch Cubo Network? I have no clue what that is. That is not something I've ever heard of. What is Cubo Network? What the hell is this? I have never heard of this before. Oh, it's got those MMO guys. I recognize some of the characters. It's got the vegetable show. The tomato and the vegetable and the cucumber guys, you know? Like the Cubo Network, I have not watched much of Cubo Network. I've seen some of them. I'm sure I've seen some of them, but like that's not something massive for me. VeggieTales, that's the name of the show. I've watched VeggieTales because, of course, who hasn't? When does the Trinity Killer show up? It's next season. That's the next game. That's the next game. That's the next game. It shows up next game. Also, hello, Falcon. How are you? Have you enjoyed whatever you've been doing? Because I believe you've been gone from streaming for as long as I have. This is the Magic School Bus! Miss Priz! Ah. Are we going on a school trip again? Oh, no way. I haven't been doing it. You know what? Same here. I disappeared because I was sick, by the way. I was gone because I was fucking sick and dying. Which I still am sick, by the way. I still am a little bit sick. I'm just well enough to stream now. But I am still a bit sick. I'm still a bit sickly. Also get scammed, get ads. You're saying just don't be. You know what? I haven't thought of that before. I haven't thought about that before. Maybe I'll just do that. Also ads. Ah, yes, also ads. Anyways, at this time, we're gonna play 3 minutes of Resident Evil Pro Wars 4 stop at the same time, I will take a break that we don't miss any ads. Almost jumped all the map. Ah, ad block. You know what? Fair. Install ad block so you don't have to watch ads on my stream. Install ad block so you don't have to support streamers. That's what I do. I'm kidding. Ads don't fucking support streamers. I make $0 off streams. I don't make fucking dick. I don't make squat. Install that ad block. Ads are fucking shit. But also, I'm gonna take a break. So I can unleash liquid from my body. One cent coming your way. You're welcome. Oh, hell yeah. I appreciate it. I appreciate that 1 penny that I made thanks to you watching the ads. Anyways, I'm gonna go unleash liquid from my body. Oh, BRB. Ah. Hello, as I am back. Then the ads over, desk area. Anyway, I'm pausing music and get back into the game. Also, that reminded me of something since Falcon's here. I recently bought all the games that were made by the same people who made Amnesia. So now I own all the Amnesia games, right? As well as all their other games, including Soma, which I already had Soma, but they had a couple of other games. So that's another interesting horror game, horror series, which I'll eventually get through in the 3 trillion games that I want to play. You have Amnesia. I do have Amnesia, I know. Listen, dog, I've got Amnesia. Listen, I have Amnesia. I forgot. Listen, I just forgot about it. My fault, I forgot that I had Amnesia. You don't need to remind me. You don't need to remind me that I have several and copious amounts of mental problems. I am well aware it affects me on a day-to-day basis. I know. Oh, for fuck my ass, Tylee. I missed one. Do I have to go through the entire level again? Oh, that's no bueno. That's actually no bueno. Oh, that's fucked. That's actually fucked. Oh, I gotta go through the level again. Because I missed one fucking item. which are very normal. That's amazing. I am so normal. No one is actually normal. They're actually so right. I also have to go through the level again. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Where the fuck did we miss one? I thought I explored everything well enough. I guess not, but hey. Unless it's like up here. Which if so, cool. I missed. What the hell? I gotta watch. You don't watch ads. You have a subscription. You have a subscription to Hurdensplurgen .tv. You don't watch ads. You do not get ads to watch. I do the. You do not. You very much do not. You do not. You do not. Hey. I'm also sober, so I quit gambling. Ooh. Drink. How? What do you mean you're sober? You said 10 minutes ago. You just said like 10 fucking minutes ago. Not 10 minutes ago. It was more like half an hour ago. But you said like half an hour ago that you were drinking vodka. You were not sober.
Nice work. With all those squish bugs, the queen should be on her way. Now all you have to do is go.
I can say. No, you do not. No, you do not. Bunny. Bunny game time. I don't even think it's. Never mind. It is time that you can do it. Oh. Anyways, you failed the gamma. Haha. Fuck. One of these days, right? One of these days, right? But it's equipment time. It's equipment time. It's time for Christmas. Which is a biblically accurate model right now. Since Christmas is exactly 7 days from now. Christmas is exactly a week from now. Which, again, I'm not going to be streaming on Christmas this year. I might do a Christmas stream early. Like, 3 days before Christmas, 4 days before Christmas. I might do it like Monday or Tuesday. I might do like a Christmas stream. The fuck was I supposed to do, by the way? I was not listening to this dude like at all. Fuck the Christmas album with the money better. It's not, it's still good. At least it's fitting for the holidays. It is. Because it's Christmas time. The bunny outfit is rigged. It's not rigged, I promise. I promise. It's fair, I promise it's fair. I don't remember what I was. I'm not gonna lie, Chief. I was not listening to what I was supposed to do. I wasn't paying attention to him. Are we supposed to strip mine? Are we supposed to strip? Are we supposed to strip and take our clothes off? I don't think so. The fuck are we supposed to do? I wasn't paying attention. Can you like talk again? Could you like wake up? Could you like stop taking nap time? Could you like stop doing blackface and like actually talk to me? We go this way? That's where we came. No, that's where we came from. Is this where we go? This might be where we go. It's not rigged, I promise. It's a 1 in 9 chance. You're just unlucky. Bird in the stripper. Yes. Yes, yes, please. Unfortunately, not on Twitch TV. That is what we do on the other sites. Do it on the other sites. I do it on the other sites that I stream on.
Holy cow, Daxter!
Holy cow.
These are off the chart. Watch yourself.
Okay. On Blue Twitch, yes, 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 on Blue Twitch. Which I'm definitely on that. I'm definitely 100% on that platform, and I stream on there daily. 100%. For real. For real, for real. God damn, look at that. Look at that fucking pussy right there. God damn, it's inviting. Holy. Don't stick your dick in that. Or do. Or do. Let me just smack it a couple times real quick. I supposed to like blow it up with bomb? Ow. Ow. Daxter, can you like smack the fucking bee? I feel like this isn't doing it here. Never mind, it's doing something. Yawning and I'm drinking a monster. I'm already drinking a monster. Well, you drinking a monster doesn't give me energy. It energizes you. I'm gonna keep yawning. Why? Because I don't like monster. That's why I'm gonna yawn. I'm gonna yawn because I don't like monster. I'm trying to... Okay. What in the camera? What in the camera nonsense was that? Okay. Run! Ah! Hydrate! God damn it! If you're familiar, you must drink monster, but it's nasty. I don't want to fucking drink monster. The only thing monster is good for is to take suspicious photos with. We're using the monster can to like barely cover up my massive schlong. Huh? I will also hydrate. Glug glug glug. I drink the mysterious liquid. The fuck? Excuse me, the hell? What you mean the hell? I'm sorry, I don't like monster. I'm sorry it tastes nasty and disgusting. I'm sorry you have bad taste buds. I'm sorry that your taste buds were objectively incorrect. Monster, you, it's not good. The only type of monster I like is cock. Give me that monster cock. Or like her ghoster bangs. I have no idea what that is. You're not speaking a language that I know. You're speaking Spanglish. I really am, Unk. You're not. You're almost definitely younger than me, Bigetsy. You are 110% younger than me. I just have no idea what you're fucking talking about. Because I don't drink energy drinks. I'm older than you? You probably aren't. I don't know why. You have an old fetish. And like to call yourself old, but hey. You can fetishize being old as much as you want. Huh? Hey, you're the one who was weird about being old. Also, I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. I'm dead! Excuse you, I hit that. Aww. I don't like this fight. Smack the pussy. Dedge, I am Dedge. I know. I'm Dedge, a big McDedge. Oh, there's a scorpion now. Huh. Giga-Chad? Why Giga-Chad? Just because you're into being old and crippling and being with all these wrinkles on your face and balls. I don't know my other time, I'm trying to gamble. But fair enough. Gambling's cool. One. What in tarnation? What in tarnation, brother? There's still no game already. There's still no gamble. There's still no gambling. I have not bothered to add it. Because A, I don't think anyone actually cares. I think you're just memeing right now because I'm like too stupid to remember to do it. And also B, you're like, make this gamble balls. Ugh. I'm too lazy. Ugh. Could this bastard like come down here, by the way? Did I come down here? Listen, I will probably maybe not make a gamble game. Because I promise you that I probably won't do it. Because I'll be fucking lazy. You don't have to do anything, just enable a command. I don't enable a command, right? I need to add the bot. It's not a thing about enabling a command. I have to get the bot. I don't have the bot. I have to add the bot to my channel. You forget I do not have the bot. It's not a matter of enabling the command. I do not have like either Nightbot or Stream Elements. I don't have Stream Elements. Isn't the bot already in Stream Elements? Yes, I don't have Stream Elements. I don't use Stream Elements for anything. I don't fucking use Stream Elements. So I edit the wings, so I recover. Does we have a civilization here? We don't need Gamba. It's gonna be something that you do like one time and then you're gonna forget about it and you're never gonna gamble again. God damn. That bug hit a fucking pussy on it. You don't know. I've said this multiple times, right? We had this exact same conversation yesterday. I don't use it because I don't care about Stream Elements. I have my own bot. My bot is a custom-made bot that I programmed and made myself. It's not Stream Elements. It's its own thing that I made. Come on. Come on. No! Okay, I'll throw a fish at you. Don't do it. I'll enjoy it, brother. Don't fish me. Fuck! I'm dead! God damn it, I hate this fight. This fight's shit. This fight's dog shit. You made a program? Yes. Okay, sorry, Mr. Physicist. Why are you being a baby now about it? I say this repeatedly. Ah. Now, I'm not the one with amnesia. Now you're the one with amnesia. The fucking bot itself, by the way, the only bot that shows up has my name on it. The ad bot. It says Hurdensplurgen. It does not say Stream Elements. The Stream Elements has not shown up here ever. Ah. Stream Elements more like a Stream Who? Exclamation ad bot becomes sentient. No, the sentient does not be the bot. The only sentient person here is me, and I'm not even sentient. Come on. I can get 5 hits in before he does that. I can get 5 hits in before he does the slam. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably could have gone on a 6, but I was too lazy. Also, I figured out how to get him off the wall. I figured out how to get him off Dwayne the Jaw wall soon. Oh my gosh, the 2 whole pennies. Oh, thank you for the 2 whole pennies. I'll add the bot now. That'll definitely motivate me to add the bot. The whole whopping 2 pennies. Ow. Ah. Come on. Come on. Oh, fuck you. I hate that fight. I did it. I'm a genius. No one's better than me. No one's smarter than me. 0 deaths, 0 deaths, 0 deaths. They didn't die a single time. They didn't die a single time. Clearly because I'm so good at this game. Anyways. Hello, dude. How the fuck are... Why are you just in here?
Back in business. No
Okay.
more queen bug. You can go now.
Alright. Alright, goodbye. Ah! Me when cat. Me when I'm a cat with a cowboy. Me when yippee-ki-yay, brother. Me when yippee-ki-yay. There's still another fucking quest here, brother. The fuck am I supposed to do here now, brother? He said I can go now, and I left now. The hell am I supposed to do about that now? The fuck? The fuck? What? Nani? Nani desuka? What am I so supposed to be doing? Exclamation bottom. Hurdensplurgen has been called bottom. I'm not lying to you. I don't have a bottom command. Ah. The elevator go up. Ah. Also, no one has ever called me a bottom, and it certainly hasn't been 524 times. Listen, listen, listen. If you want to call me a bottom, at least be accurate about it. People have called me a bottom like 12 times. Because no one called me a bottom because it's not accurate. Clearly, it's just not accurate. Pain. Pain and suffering. Pain, Pecco, pain. What are you supposed to do? Okay, what kind of a command would you have? Because you're not going to make them. I do make commands from time to time. I just don't know. I have commands. Yeah, I don't know what commands to add. That's why I don't add any. Like, if I want to add commands, I want it to be like something like people would actually use. I just don't know what people would actually use. So I don't add anything. I don't add jack diddly shit. I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. I'm confuzzled. I'm confusion. I'm confusion, my dentist. Make a command where people ask a command. I mean, well, that'd be easier to make as a redeem than a command. That'd be easier to make a Twitch redeem for that as opposed to a command. Which I absolutely could do that. I absolutely could do that. That would be actually very easy and simple. Yeah, but I don't want to waste your points. No. Use your points. Like, it's you are rich. No one uses points because all my things are like super cheap. That's actually a genius idea of a thing to do to make like really expensive. I can make like a redeem like that's like 20,000 points. That's like at a like command, right? I only have like 40k points. Exactly, it'd be half of that. And guess what I'm gonna make it? I'm gonna make it 40k just for you, Bagitsi, just for you, Bagitsi. I'm gonna add a new command that is and it's gonna be 40,000 just for you, Bagitsi. I'm gonna make it 40,000 points. No. Exclamation! Curtis yapping about the 142 conspiracy theory. Wear your tinfoil hat with them. It's not conspiracy theories. It's true. It's objectively true. I don't conspiracy theory. Everything I say is 100% factual and true. Alright, but see, just for you, a 40,000 redeem. A redeem that costs 40,000 points. Make a command. Just for you. The exact amount that you have. The exact amount that you have. Bet. You didn't tell me anything to make. You didn't put any text. You didn't make a command. All you said was bet. All you said was bet. There was no command. Now you just got scammed. You just got scammed. There's no command now. You don't get to make a command. All you said was bet. Now you just used up all your points for no reason. I'll get more points and I'll continue to climb the economy and get richer. I know, I just want to use it. You know what? Fair enough. You know what? Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. And now you're broke. And now you can either make a command or, don't make a command. Don't worry, I'll get them back in like a month's time. You know what? Fair enough. Or just ruining the Twitch account. What do you mean? It's already been ruined. Everything is like 10 points. Everything is 100 points. All of my redeems are 100 points. The sound alerts are 1,000, and like no one uses the sound alerts. Wait a minute, I'm waiting. Howie, thank you for beating me up. I appreciate it. Praise it. Bigotsy, you're cool. You're awesome. I appreciate you always stopping by. Thank you for rotating me as well. I always like that. I will also stretch for you, just for you, Bigotsy. Thank you for the head pats as well. I always appreciate you stopping by. You have very nice alcoholism. Thank you for the feet as well. You got scammed out of the feet. You don't actually get to look at my feet. Nekonya, thank you for the Nekonya. Thank you for turning me into a Neko and spinning Nekonya. Because you redeemed feet too fast. It's like you actually got scammed out of the feet, so you don't actually get to see my feet. You scammed, idiot. I am poor. You are poor now. Hi, poor. I'm hurting ya. Yeah, that's crazy, yeah. Anyways, thank you for using up all the redeems, yeah. And now you're broke, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Where the fuck's the what? Anyways, get your 40,000 points back because you just wasted them and didn't actually make a redeem. Get refunded your 40,000 shekels back. You get head pads while rotating. Yes. The head pads is connected to my head. Yeah, it is relative to my head. Yeah. I got 98 shekels, so time to grind again. Yeah. Get grinding. No, now you have 40,098. Yeah. What the fuck? I'm trying to be broke here. No, you're not allowed to. Get rich. I want feet pets. There's no feet pets. I'm too lazy to design that. I'm too lazy to design that, yeah. Also, it'd be kind of counterintuitive to what I made. Because I made it intentionally, yeah, to like stick to my head. No matter where like I get rotated, yeah. It always goes to my head. No feet pets, no. You do not get to touch my feet. Those are for viewing pleasure only. You do not get to touch them. You do not get to touch them. You get to look only. Eyes only. No touch. No touching. Anyways, yeah. Now that we can see he's like wasted, you know, half of his money. Now that he's wasted all of his money and I refunded it, I'm gonna like change the make a command redeem yeah to like 20,000 yeah. And I'm gonna continue the game, yeah. No. Can't you duplicate the redeem? And change head for feet, yeah? You're right, I probably could, yeah. But like at the same time, I don't want to do that. It's not even just a being lazy thing, yeah. I feel like that's a bit too much on like the horniness, yeah. I do not want to add a redeem where people get to touch my toes, yeah. Like flipping me upside down is funny, yeah. Like the feet redeem is funny because it like straight up just flips me upside down, yeah. Right. It's just rotating me upside down. And now all the blood's going to my head. But like actually like petting the feet, I feel like that's a bit too horny for me, yeah. Anyways, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do, yeah. People could get horny from that. They absolutely do. They absolutely do, yeah. And I'm not here to make people horny. I'm here to make people hard, yeah. I mean, what? I didn't say that. I don't know what to do. Am I really gonna have to cheat and look up what to do in a 2006 children's platformer game, yeah? What in tarnation is that emote, yeah? Thank you for the Gigantify emote, I appreciate it, yeah. What in tarnation is that, yeah? Oh. That's my reaction to that, yeah. Say yes? Okay. That is the yes emote. That is me when yes. Me when yes, yeah. I don't know what to do, yeah. I'm gonna have to look some shit up, aren't I? Yeah. I don't want to look shit up. I should not need to look stuff up in this game, yeah. I don't know. Oh, apparently we've never. What the fuck? Where would this place come from? I've never been here, yeah.
Bugs dropping disgusting eggs all over. We set up bug zappers.
Oh, the bug zappers, yeah.
No, I do it myself. But I
They have carpal tunnel.
Oh yes, carpal tunnel. Yeah. Oh. No, no, I have carpal tunnel and I'm Irish now. Oh. Oh, potato. Oh. Oh, me with potato and Irish now. Oh. Dog. Thank you for the dog. I appreciate it. I appreciate the dog. You know, I thought about adding an emote, by the way. It's just a picture of my dog. Yeah. I thought about that. And then I didn't do it because I was lazy. Potato's not here? Yeah, but they could be here. They could be lurking. You don't know that. Do that, it would be a cure. It would be cute. I should. You're right, I should. Oh, fun fact, by the way. My mother, she took a picture of a dog, and she put a picture of her dog, and she put it up for like a like an event thing to like get the dog in like inside of a coloring book, and it actually won. My dog has been immortalized inside of a coloring book, inside of a children's coloring book. There is an actual coloring book out there that you can buy that has a picture of my dog in it, and that you can color it. I've seen it. It's fucking adorable. Where'd I go?
There are still more of them. Dames.
Yeah, I know there's more of the things. I don't know where to go, dog. I'm trying to figure out where to go. Okay. I see a zip line there, but like, how the fuck do I get to the zip line? Am I blind? Don't answer that. Because I can't get across there. What? Where do I... What? Huh? Huh? Me? Huh? Huh? Oh. Dog, shut up.
Dames.
Now, if you do said dog emote, what expression would it get off? I don't know. Now that would be a surprise. The one with a heart. Maybe. Oh, that's where I go. I figured out where to go. I am actually just stupid and blind. My fault game. I fucking missed. I hate my life. I'm going to end it right now. In Minecraft. Huh. I don't know what expression I would give it. That certainly is an expression that I can give a dog. I already know what expression I would give it if I were to add a dog, you know. Because there is a banger picture I have of the dog that I could absolutely add. Absolutely banging. I just had to add it. I don't think it's saved on my PC. I'm pretty sure it's saved on my phone, but. Mine's actually the Bud Zapper. Oh. Mine judges me. Of course. Your dog is judging you. Your dog is watching you as you jerk off at night. And he does not like the material. Your dog thinks you jerk off to like boring stuff. Jerk off to better at porn. Get better material. I'm supposed to kill this big guy, right? I can't hear me on my phone and all. He just blacks my view. It's hard to get good material. It really is. Because all the material I find is good. All the material I find is good. All the material everyone else finds is bad. It's all. Oh my gosh, just like that one level in Sly Cooper. Oh. This is just like Sly Cooper. Oh. This is just like the hit PlayStation 2 platformer Sly Cooper. Oh. Oh. Daxter Cooper. I mean, they're both furries, which doesn't mean anything at all because, you know, they're not the same type of furry, but hey. Cute. Ow. Go into the bug zapper. Hey, furry. Thank you for announcing that you're a furry, but good to see you. I mean, we already knew this, but hey. You indeed are a furry. Yeesh. Exclamation vanish? No. Fuck. I do not have an exclamation vanish or command. But for the low price of 20,000 points, you can add them. I don't know what it would do, but you can add it. I don't want to. I'm lazy and poor. You are not poor. You have 40,000 points. I gave you your money back. You are rich. Better than me, even if I have infinite points. Since I am the streamer. No one saw that. No one saw that. No one saw that. No one saw that. No one saw me just jump straight into the water. Maybe give me a refund. My spirit is broke. Sure it is. Sure it is. Sure it is. Sure it is. I need 2 weeks. I'm broke. Fuck. Hurdensplurgen, don't flip me. There is Seribot commands. Seribot does have commands, and I don't know what command Seribot has. Because I only use Seribot for the cool shit of, like, you know, me being lazy. Exclamation gun. Seribot does not have a gun. Don't give the clanker a gun. Do not give clanker a gun. You don't need one. Hi, Sari. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Hi, Seribot. Oh. Seribot's also doing great. Is there a bi Sari one? Oh, that's adorable that there's a hi Sari one. I don't want any command, Seribot. You use. I'm new to the game. Okay. I'm also new to the game. Look at this. Baguette fat. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, they have a baguette. They have a baguette command. The standard baguette, as we know it, is probably not much more than 200 years old, even though a few pale imitations did exist a bit earlier. So baguette is young. See? Less than 200. See, Seribot knows that you're young and that you're a baby. You can't lie to Seribot. This map is massive, by the way. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going everywhere. Baguette fat. The components and baguettes are defined in law by law. By law is defined by law. The definition of baguette of food is defined by law. Okay. They cannot include any ingredients beyond traditional yeast, white flour, water, and salt. By law, defined by... Yeah, that is indeed what it says. Why the fuck is it defined by law? You know what? Sure. Thank you, France. Thank you, France. Thank you, French people. I see why French people won Game of the Year this year. I see why France won. I'm cooked if I have to be defined by law. Listen, you're defined by law, dog. Go to jail. You can't go to jail if you add something else to the game. Holy shit. The French people are extreme. Don't go to France. They will fucking murder you. It is a crime punishable by death if you add anything else to a baguette. Thank you, Bigetsy, for trying to use an emote that you don't have. Thank you for trying to use a Twitch Global emote, even though that's not a Twitch Global emote. That is probably a hype thing, if I were to take a guess. Happy Dubs. You're welcome. I believe that's a hype train emote. And I only say that because Bigetsy doesn't have it. You can add it? What do you mean you can add it? It's people jail. What do you mean you can add it? Since when could you add, like, Twitch Global emotes? I saw Pepe. I saw Pepe. So it looked like Pepe used. The 7TV. It's not a 7TV emote, though. That's a Twitch Global emote. Is the same from 7TV, the one that I have is from a streamer? It is from a streamer, you're actually right. You're actually right. I thought that was a Twitch Global emote for some reason. It was a Pepo, it was a Pepe emote, so I thought it was a Twitch emote. My fault, my fault, my fault. My fault, I'm stupid. I'm actually just as stupid as Bigetsy is. My fault, we're both dumb. We're actually both dumb. Like streamers just like chatter for real, for real. A gifted sub. Wait, you don't want to spend money on the streamer? What are you, fake fan? No, you don't have to spend money on streamers. Don't spend money on streamers. Especially not me. Streamers don't need money. We sit on our ass playing video games all day. We don't need money. You're actually smarter than me. I mean, I did think it was a Twitch emote, but you thought it was just 7TV. So on the ball of smartness, I'm like 2% smarter. Also, wrong your. On the topic of being smarter, wrong your. It's YOU''RE. Swear to God. On God. I'm swearing to him right now. Even bug zapper. Okay. That's pretty Jesus. Jesus. This is Jesus Christ wearing Yeezys. Huh. Okay. That's it. I'm changing your nickname to non-drinker ass motherfucker on Discordia. Okay, do it. I won't see it. Also, I do not drink ass. I definitely don't drink ass. I've never claimed to drink ass. That would be an accurate name for me because, you know, I don't drink ass. Do I wish I could? Yes. I absolutely wish I could, like, drink some ass, because ass, that's a interesting taste. That interests me a lot. Do you eat it? Unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, no. I really wish that there were some asses for me to eat. I'm very interested in trying it out. Let me tell you what, I always try everything once. I'm willing to try anything once. Unfortunately, I haven't found, like, you know, some asses. It's kind of a hard thing to come by. It's kind of a hard thing to come by. Oh, I fucked up. Oh, I swear, my uncle, I swear, don't swear too much. This is a Christian server after all. Well, I need to get some ass in my life. Wait. Here we go. Okay, we're at 4. I looked over for like 5 seconds and I almost like panicked for like half a second, and then I like stopped panicking because I realized I just don't overreact for it. Just stop overreacting. Agent, I'm gonna find a pick my dog, judging, so I can use it against you, baby. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Buggetsy. Have fun finding a picture of your dog. Look at your dog. Also, I fucking love that 7TV emote, by the way. That is like one of my favorite 7TV emotes. That dog emo is fucking amazing. It just makes me think of dog. Big dog. We're straight dog in it right now, brother. Real dog hours too. Pure raw dog in it right now. Oh. Does that go from the other way? I think it goes from the other way. It don't go down, it don't go down. Yeah, no, it don't go down. You need some ass in your life? You're flat. I know. You don't have to tell me. You don't have to tell me. I'm just lazy. Like, if I wasn't lazy, I would absolutely, like, you know, exercise to, like, get, like, some ass. To get my booty cheeks up there, right? But, like, I'm fucking lazy, dog. And to be fair, it's not even, like, a lot of exercises. I think you just have to do, like, oh, shit. I think you just have to do, like, squats. Squats are, like, the main thing to, like, get your ass muscles up there. To my knowledge. Which I could, like, absolutely do, like, after stream. For, like, you know, 20 minutes or however long I would need to do it. Your root twinkle be more difficult? I mean, it's just muscle development. It's not that difficult. Also, yes, you're right. I am an ass. I am an ass? No, I am a twink, yes. But, like, even twinks can, like, develop muscles. Don't laugh at my mistake of speaking. Yeah, I'm an ass. I'm an ass, alright. Two big old cheeks of mine. Fuck. Uh-oh. Tree. Damn, that's a deadly tree. I should be doing that. You're right, I absolutely should be doing that. Problem is, I'm just fucking lazy. Which is, I missed that. I killed myself there intentionally, by the way. That was intentional. That was actually 100% intentional. But I'm just lazy. And I forget about it. I'm not gonna lie, I just forget. I missed it again. You just go get some ass? No. For one, I'm not the type to make New Year's goals. Which I know you're just saying that to like meme on me, but like I'm not the type of person to make New Year's goals. And even if I did make a New Year's goal, I'm sure as hell not gonna act on it, right? Like if I want to do something, I'm just gonna do it. Problem is, I'm just fucking forgetful and like lazy. It's not that I'm like too lazy to do it. It's just that I will straight up forget. I fucking forget. Because I actually set my mind to do that a while ago, by the way, to like kind of fucking do a little bit of like stretches and like squats so I can like get a fatter ass. To get double caked up, get double cheeked up on a Wednesday afternoon, and I just fucking like forgot. I full blown forgot about it, and then just didn't do it, and just now I remembered. I 110% forgot about that shit, dog. I can't even lie. I also don't know it. Yeah, because like New Year's goals are stupid. Like New Year's resolutions are just stupid, right? Like there's nothing wrong with setting a goal, right? There's nothing wrong with setting a goal for a year. There's nothing wrong with that. That is a perfectly normal thing to do and a perfectly fine thing to do. However, setting a New Year's resolution typically falls flat on its face because it's like, okay, why don't you just do this like anytime? Why are you gonna intentionally wait for the start of the new year? For the start of a year to do something? Just fucking do it, forehead. Like if you wanna lose weight, if you wanna fucking just get a girlfriend, you wanna make money, You wanna go get a girlfriend, boyfriend. You wanna fucking get high and drunk and like crash into a fucking tree. Go do that. Don't wait for a New Year's resolution. But there's also nothing wrong with making goals, right? Like, oh, you started a weight loss journey like a few years ago, and like this year your goal is to like lose 20 pounds. Okay, that's a fine goal. That's different from like, oh, my New Year's resolution is go to the gym more. Oh, that's fucking stupid. Now trying to lose 20 pounds, that's realistic, and that's something you can do. I don't celebrate New Year either. It's just an excuse for me to drink. That is fair. I yesn't celebrate New Year's. It's more so a thing that, like, you know, I celebrate with family, because I always just have family on it. Like, every New Year's, I just go to families. I don't give a shit about New Year's. It's more so like an excuse for, like, family to get together, right? It's more so an excuse to just, like, see family, so... Ow. Took me too long to make that formatted chat. Of course. Thank you for making an emote about your dog, because yeah, I appreciate it. Hey, we did. Also a dog. Dog. Holy shit, that's a dog. 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 Listen, it would also probably take me like 10 minutes to make it to like add an emote to Twitch. It does take me a long time as well, because I'm also stupid. I'm equally as dumb. But hey, we did it. Hello, fake booba. What do you mean fake booba? My booba is real and normal sized. Also, well, hello Zaki, how are you? My booba is very normal sized. It is very real. Ah. I honestly might replace some for more dog. Well, that's fair, because dogs are kind of goated. Dogs are kind of goated. Tentacles? Ooh. Put that inside me? I mean, what? It's getting longer. It's getting shorter. Thank you for the tentacles. I mean, it's only 5 tentacles. There's supposed to be like 10 of them, but hey. I'm not counting. Are you counting? That's a lie. I did just count. Ignore what I say. Eggs in your butt. No! Do not lay eggs in, I mean... You definitely can come in my butt. I mean, what? Get me pregnant. I didn't say anything. I'm normal. Thank you for putting eggs in my butt. I appreciate it. How the fuck do I get up there? How do I get up there? Me when platforming video game is not like readily understandable. Me when I don't understand how to platform correctly. Do I have to land on that saw? Do I have to like seesaw? Do I have? Did I saw? I saw. I saw. I saw it. I saw. That did not work. Unless I just have to be better at the game and actually land on it. God damn it. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Skill issue? I know it's a skill issue. I'm trying to get good right now. It's a platforming game. It's not Dark Souls. I don't need to get good. I need to use my eyes and brain to actually notice where I'm supposed to go. I have to use eyes. This isn't a skill issue moment. It's a eye issue moment. It's a I'm fucking blind and don't know where I'm going at moment. Because it's like, there's a green ball there. So it makes me think I have to go off of this. But like, this doesn't help. Unless it actually does help. Holy shit, it helped. It helped. Oh my gosh, I figured it out. I'm a genius. No one's smarter than me. No one is smarter than me. Clearly, I'm the smartest person alive. I did. Get good at platforms. You level up with the maiden. Yeah, I have to go back to Santa Claus. I have to go back to Santa Claus and level up with him. He's the level up waifu of this game. He's a level up waifu of this game. It would only be better if he had like his feet out, because then it would be a true Miyazaki experience. No bitches. Aww. I don't have any bitches. That would be an accurate statement. That would be a 100% accurate statement. By the way, how long are you planning to stream? Until I beat this game. I don't know how long it's going to take to beat this game, but until I beat this game. Because I want to beat this game tonight. We are 63% of the way through the game. Which, that is not, that is the full 100% counter, which we're not going to be 100% of the game, so. Probably, maybe 1 or 2 more hours? Yeah, ooh. No. I couldn't tell you. Don't ask me. I don't know nothing. I don't know shit, fam. I don't know shit, G. Me when I shiz. I'm shizzing right now. So I can gamble one more time I see. Go gamble as much as you want to. Do not base your gambling off of how long I stream. Gamble to your heart's content. I will not stop you from gambling. In fact, I will encourage your gambling more. This game is apparently 8 hours long. Yeah, that sounds about right. That sounds about right.
We did it. I can open
Hey.
the mill again. You can leave using the log chute.
Hey. Which we have been streaming this game, including yesterday's stream. We should be around the 6 to 7 hour mark. So yeah, around 1 or 2 more hours. Ow! 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 I missed the fucking. I'm dead. Oh, good. Well, now we have another chance to get it. You have an hour cooldown to gamble. Do not base your gambling on my string. Also, yes, I do have an hour gamble cooldown for my outfit. That joke. Also, thank you for getting me bricked up, Bagutsy. I appreciate it. Thank you for getting me bricked up ×7. That's. Hey, man, I'm pretty fucking bricked up right now. Holy shit. You see how long my brick is? God damn. Ooh. I'm so fucking bricked up right now. That joke. How many optometrists, that word, yes, that word. I give up on saying that word. How many optometrists, how many wrists does it take to charge a light bulb? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? I'm not gonna lie, dog, I don't even know what an optometrist is. But also the dad joke would be like, you know, I get the joke. Sorry, I'm going through the joke in my head. I understand the joke. I understand it now. See, the humor in this joke is that, like, realistically speaking, it's only going to take, like, 1 of them. Or 2 of them to get it. Like, realistically speaking. Like, that's the humor in this joke. But only people, like, as big-brained as me, like, understand a joke. Only people as genius and as big-brained as me would ever, like, get a joke like this, because I am so immaculate with my brain, my big old brain, because I am a genius. I have so many brains. There's so many brains that I have in my head. Oh, I be braining it so hard right now. That joke. I can't take my dog to the pond anymore because the dogs keep attacking him. That's what I get for buying a purebred dog. Alright. That one was good. That one was a much better one. That one was actually a really good dad joke. I like that one. I like the dog. Also, why did the second? Oh wait, it's because of the period. That's why. I was gonna say, ask like, why was the second dog not a 7TV emote? And I realized it was a period. I was like, oh yeah, periods are the ultimate like fuck you to 7TV. You want to put a period after a 7TV emote? Nah. Get fucked, did you? Dog. You
Yo,
dog.
little fuzzy dude, you ready to rock over to Emerald
Yeah.
Isle one more time? I got the zoomer fully warmed up.
Oh, we're about to zoom. We're gonna go zooming. Me want zoomers. Ugh. Holy shit, any zoomers in chat? Ugh. Can't believe Gen Z would be like 6, 7. Ugh. Ugh. I'm a zoomer, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I am of the zoomer generation. I am old. Zoomers are old now. Believe it or not, zoomers are fucking old. Make the dough emote. One of your channel emotes so I can enlarge it. Ah. I am too lazy. Also, no. I'm not gonna add a random ass dog to my channel emotes. Now, I might add a picture of my dog to my channel emotes. Now, because that would be cute and adorable. I'm not gonna add some fucking random dog. Nah. Now, that is a funny dog. Absolutely is. That's a funny dog. Alright, so add your dog to the channel emotes. You are cute. I think. Oh, you think I'm cute? Aw. I'm the cutest. I'm the adorable. Oh, I'm blushing. I will add my dog to the channel emotes, maybe, probably. Possibly, maybe. With a possibly on top. I went the wrong way. They're literally right here. I'm gonna save because I haven't saved in a while. You are not blushing? I am. Look at the blush. Look, what do you mean I'm not blushing? Look at the blush. Look at the blush. Look at the blush. There's blush right here. I'm zooming in on it. That's my eye. There's the blush right there. You can see the blush. You can see the blush. It's right there. Look at all that blush. Look at that good old blush. You can see all the blush. It's right there. Look at that blush. I am absolutely blushing. I am blushing 24/7. Oh my gosh. Look at that blush. Look at that blush coat. Oh. Alright. Zoomer is zooming. I am zooming. I'm zooming in. Well, I'm about to zoom. Let me see that eye real quick. Alright. Want to see the eye? I see you. You can't escape from me. My eye is huge. I see you. Oh. I see you. This is hard. It's hard to keep my face still. Ah. It's hard to keep my face still long enough for you to actually. I'm just gonna zoom out just a little bit so you can actually see my eye. Oh. A fucking ad. Oh. You don't have ads. Oh wait, never mind. There is ads. You're not actually lying. There is ads. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. What else do you have the subs they can't see? A flower. Yes. A flower. That has been in every single model, by the way. That is a thing in every single thing. That's nothing unique. That has been a thing for like all the time. That has always been a thing. I always had the flower in my eye. Alright, but anyways, at this time we're gonna play 30 minutes of ads and we don't be able to stop it. At the same time, I'll take a break. And we don't miss any ads. I don't have it. I only have a first sub icon. That's the sub. What do you mean? That is the sub icon. Anyways, BRB. I'm gonna go unleash liquid from my. What do you mean not nopers? What do you mean nopers? And thank you for changing your other thing from the hype train conductor to the 25 gift subs badge. Thank you for changing your badge actively. Thank you for changing your badge just now. I like presents. Presents are good. You should check that. Having a flower in your eye could be dangerous. What do you mean they're so pretty though? Oh. Anyways, BRB. BRB. All as I am the back, and the answer for gang. What up, gang? What up, gang? I'm currently in a gang. What up, Bloods? What up, Crips? I'm in a gang. I'm throwing up gang signs right now. Holy shit! I'm committing acts of violence with my gang of cats. What up, gang? What up, dogs? What up, gang? What up, cats? What up, meow meows? Anyway, speaking of the flower eye, by the way, that is one of the two things that like have remained about my models since the original default Hurdensplurgen model. I have kept my eye the same and my color scheme. That is my purple theme the same. Those are the only two things that are the same between like every single model, right? The eyes are the same. Well, actually, not even the color scheme, because now I have the Silent Hill F model, the Skullgirl model, which is like black themed and doesn't have a whole lot of purple to it. But my eyes are the same thing. That is the one constant from the very first model I ever made, all the way to like the newest ones. It's always been there. Also, get scammed. Bunch of fat fucking milkers. Please let me the money. Please do not call me fat fucking milkers. No, get scammed, idiot. No. It's because I'm sober. That's why it didn't work. You were definitely not sober. You were definitely not sober. What the fuck? Holy shit. I am though? I don't believe you. I'm feeling fine? That's what all alcoholics say. You only feel fine because you're drunk. I believe myself. Of course you do, because you are yourself. This is difficult to aim, by the way. This is a pain in the ass to aim. Okay. Thank you for believing in yourself. Oh shit. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good.
Stay on target, dude. Stay on
I was on target. I just overheated. Oh, I was in heat for too long. Oh. Oh. Ooh, I'm in heat. Oh, that's awkward placement. Bruh. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Also, by the way, oh my gosh, holy shit. Get buggered, idiot. Oh, photogram, I'm 90% sure I'm fine. Second what? Of course, walking downstairs is your criteria for not being drunk. Okay, sure. Sure. As long as you believe in yourself. As long as you believe in yourself, dog, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. It's not, but hey, it's all that matters. Holy shit, there's stuff down here. Oh, fuck. I thought I just fell off the map. I saw an egg. I was like, wait, I want this egg. I'm not gonna, I did not expect shit to be down here. Holy fuck. There's more eggs down here as well. This is where all the eggs were hidden at. Oh, this is how I get up top. Oh. Oh. Ah. I see. Oh. I can do my taxes fine. That's good too. Yeah. Make sure you're sober before you do your taxes. I'm always drunk when I do my taxes. That's my problem, right? That's why the IRS is after me, right? Because I always do it while drunk. Oh, I fucking hate doing it. Well, go have fun doing your taxes. That reminds me, I still need to get some information from my work that so I can be able to do my taxes. I need to do my taxes. I don't need to pay my taxes. I don't pay taxes anyways. Taxes? What the fuck are those? I don't pay taxes. I don't make enough money to pay taxes. That's not even a joke, by the way. That's the sad reality. I don't make enough money to pay taxes. That's not a joke. Hey. Oh god, for real, brother. Also, I wasn't paying attention to what Santa Claus said. You said go somewhere. Oh damn. She just laughed me for real, for real. What, broke? I'm glad that you're just as broke as me, Baguette. Just like streamers like Trader. I need to stay sit. While drinking. If I stand up many times, I get drunk faster. Ow. Does standing make you drink alcohol more and more quickly? What is the correlation between drunkenness and your physical position? I already spent my full paycheck since yesterday. Don't do that, Baguette. Do not spend your entire paycheck in 2 days. Be responsible with your monies. Do not spend it all on alcohol. You can spend a little bit on alcohol. I'm not telling you not to spend it on alcohol. I'm not telling you not to drink the funny liquid. Drink the funny liquid all you want. But be fucking responsible, coach. I don't know, it just happens. Maybe movements is not good for my drinking experience. It's probably not that it makes you drunk faster. It's probably more so a fact that you are standing, so the dizziness from alcohol actually affects you, whereas when you're sitting, well, you're sitting, and so you're not actually going to experience any wobble, you know? You're not going to go wobble, because you are currently sitting with your ass down into a chair. Your ass cheeks are fixated, right? You can't go anywhere. So you're not going to experience the wobble. So you're going to have the placebo effect of like feeling more drunk. I got like $6 in cash and like 26 in my account. Baguette. Stop spending money. Don't buy subs to streamers and don't buy alcohol if you have that little American dollarinos. Fucking be responsible, coach. Listen, I know I'm not exactly one that talks because I spend all my fucking money on plushies. Be responsible, coach. I just died. No one saw that. How the fuck do I get over there? That's not good. I had to pay bills and give some Christmas. You know what? That's moderately understandable. Because I also had to do Christmas shopping. Oh yeah, speaking of that, I went outside. Over the break where I was sick, I went outside and actually bought a Christmas gift. And two. I bought the Christmas gift for my mother and sister online from Amazon. And then like I went outside to a physical store to get one for my dad. Holy shit, Hurdensplurgen goes outside crazy. It's crazy, fam. Shit's crazy. Oh. Okay, we need to do an experiment. Go drink Herden for science. I don't wanna. It tastes nasty. I don't wanna drink. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Can you do it for me? I don't wanna drink. I don't wanna drink. It's nasty. This is my sad crying face. I don't want to drink alcohol. I don't want to drink the nasty alcohol. Give me something yummy like Mountain Dew. Give me something tasty like piss. My favorite drink, piss. Tastes delicious. Uh-oh. I'm fine. Mix the alcohol with piss. Yeah. Mix the alcohol with piss. Definitely. Make my piss alcoholic. Yeah, sure. I'll definitely do that. I'm gonna ruin the taste of piss with alcohol. I'm gonna lurk and make some rainbows. Use flavor stuff else. I'm gonna lurk and make some more emotes and property head bitch. Have a good stream, fucking bottom that doesn't drink alcohol or waters or monsters and only drinks garbage soda and green fish. I'll give Bigotsy goodbye, Bigotsy, who is a bottom who only drinks alcohol and monster and water. Goodbye, Bigotsy. I appreciate you for stopping by. Not pissed with all. Would that even be good? I don't even think people do that. Is that something that's like common amongst the alcohol enjoyers? Is there many alcohol enjoyers that actually combine Mountain Dews with the fucking jizz? With alcohols? Yes. Wait, I need these. I need these. Okay. Run! Go! Ah! Okay. Come on. Where are we going? What's it? Where? Me where go how? Here? Ah! Platform bounce. Oh. You can mix it with whatever you want. I once mixed it with chocolate. Chocolate milk! That sounds disgusting. Chocolate milk plus alcohol. To be fair, alcohol in general sounds disgusting, so. Go drink waters. Ah. Don't tell other people to go drink water, but it's you go drink water. I can't really say I can't really say chocolate milk and alcohol sounds disgusting when alcohol sounds disgusting in general. You prickhole! With the face. That pricked my face. You bastard. I hate your face. Almost did it again to me. Please. I thought as well, but it was surprisingly good. That's what an alcoholic would say. That is 110% what an alcoholic would say. Ow. I love your face. Oh, you love my face? Oh, thank you. You're blushing. You love my face. Oh. That 100% sounds like something an alcoholic would say. Just mixes it with everything. Who knows? It might be good. It could also just be garbage. Even though I think alcohol in general tastes like garbage, so.
Daxter, what
Yes?
did you do? I just got an alarm that the tanker storage has been breached.
Oh no! Oh, Santa Claus! Oh, I'm going! Oh, I almost missed that! Oh, I missed one. I missed two. I don't care. I don't care. I missed one. I missed one. I missed two. Oh. What? Well, I have a chance to get him back again. Buy vodka and mix it with Mountain Dew. Ah, isn't vodka like an extremely strong drink though? Like of the alcohol varieties, isn't like vodka like one of the more stronger ones? So shouldn't I like not mix it with vodka and mix it with like something like that isn't vodka? Since vodka is like the strongest drink of all time. I missed one. It's not the strongest. I think Everclear is the strongest, but. You just don't make it too strong. What do you mean don't make it too strong? Isn't vodka in of itself strong? Isn't that the whole point of vodka? Like, is that it's strong? I don't know. I don't drink alcohol. Come on. Get up, Daxter. Give him a minute. You got a minute, Daxter. Run, Daxter. Run, Daxter. Run. 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 Oh. I have to start all... Oh. No, vodka doesn't have a strong flavor by itself like rum or whiskey. Yeah, it has an alcohol flavor. Right, you forget. I've tried vodka and Sprite before. That is the one alcohol that I've tried before. I've tried a different one. I tried a margarita and I have tried vodka and Sprite. Those are the two alcoholic drinks I've tasted. I very vividly remember the vodka and Sprite taste being the worst thing I have ever put into my mouth. There was nothing that has been more disgusting than that. That shit was awful, man. I remember that taste. I remember the vodka taste very vividly. Oh, thinking about it with many other drinks. Do you like Sprite? Yes! Sprite's very good. I like Sprite. Sprite's very bueno. Vodka isn't. I almost fell off. I want to kill myself in Minecraft. Maybe it was too strong. Right, I think you might just be an alcoholic. Right, I think you just have been drinking too much. I think you have been drinking too much. You have to add less vodka. I mean, isn't the point to get drunk? Isn't the point to consume the alcohol? I'm just, at that point, I'm just going to be drinking Sprite. It's going to be... It's no longer Sprite-flavored alcohol, it's alcohol-flavored Sprite. The point is to enjoy, not to suffer. The point is to get drunk. And people who are drunk are suffering anyway, so... It's literal poison, by the way. The alcohol, by nature, is just poison. So, like... The 5-head big brain to me says, like, okay, you are just gonna be suffering. No matter what. Come on. Don't fall this time. Fuck! Oh my gosh, how many fucking times do I have to do this thing? I have to restart the entire thing every time. Oh my gosh. Ugh. If you drink it slowly, you will get drunk and not even notice. Alright, I see you trying to encourage me, but it still tastes like shit. I've also said this before, that maybe I would do a drinking stream if I lived by myself. Right? I am not going to be doing that while I still live with my family, right? I'm not going to be doing that. Alcohol in general does not appeal to me much. If you want to get drunk and drink a full bottle at once, you know what? Fair enough, I'll do that. I will drink an entire bottle of Everclear. Fucking turn my BAC into a 1.0. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. And not die. Please. Please and thank you. Yeah, just get alcohol poisoning. Yeah, just die of alcohol. That's my plan. Like, might as well if I'm gonna be drinking alcohol. Might as fucking well, right? I guess the entire point of alcohol, right? Please. Okay, I made it finally. Not done yet, but I should not have come up here. We need to do this again. Hold on. I don't need them. 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 I don't need those eggs. I don't need those eggs. Great idea. Oh yeah. Love the alcohol poisoning. Great idea. Uh oh. Run! Ah. Holy shit, 5 seconds. Oh, potato, do you mean hello, potato?
I thought you were a god. Sure.
Hey, potato.
No surfer's never
Hello.
supposed to turn his back on the ocean.
You see this?
Okay.
That tanker's cargo was meant to be delivered to the Baron.
The Baron!
You know what that means? It means we should pay a visit to Baron Praxis's palace.
Okay.
You know, do a little exterminating snoop around.
Hmm.
But I'm gonna need a disguise.
A disguise, you say? Hmm.
You! Over there!
Hang loose, dude. Watch the master work his magic.
Okay.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Right.
Who are you?
Glad you asked.
Oh, this dumbass. I hate this guy.
We
He's
are the
stupid.
best extermination crew in Haven City. Someone call about a bug infestation?
What? I haven't heard about any infestation. Who called you?
Your boy, you know, Captain Zyman, Rupert Tickjackmos.
Nice try.
Okay.
That call didn't happen. Captain Rupert Tickjackmos is on leave this month. He couldn't have been the one.
Okay.
Well, you see...
Of course, Captain Rick
Captain,
Tickjackmos is a real person.
Called, like, from his vacation house, home, hotel, and said this palatial palace-type place was crawling with bugs, and to get here pronto. Something about the Baron's wishes. And they sent you? Look at you.
Okay.
I'd say you're the only vermin in this place. What, you sleep in the trash last night?
Yeah, well, it's a tough job.
Very tough.
We perform a vital service. So if you'll just let us do our job,
Yeah, our job that we do.
we'll just get to it and get out of your hair.
I'll see that you do, and
Okay.
quickly. I'll be watching.
Right. Have a good day.
Damn, that's crazy.
I never do. That dude needs to chill, dude.
That dude is a dumbass, dude. That dude makes sense why he fucking killed himself in the second game. And got turned into a robot in the third game. Anyways, oh my gosh, we're in Praxis's tower. Holy shit. Oh, and they actually have an infestation here. There's an actual fucking metalhead infestation, which, oh no, Praxis is in cahoots with the metalheads. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, ow. Ow. And they will be traveling for the holidays. They might be back in January. You know what? Same here. I might also be traveling for the holidays. And I might also be back in January, just I haven't traveled yet. Just don't ask when it's going to be, because I said maybe. Anyways, bye bye, potato. I will miss you. You're definitely a real person, potato, who isn't just Rye in glasses with a funny mustache. This is not Praxis's fucking place.
This is not gonna be good. Daxter, it's time to get Javar and Self the hell
Okay.
out of here.
Escape the palace. Oh, that's awkward. I want those eggs. I don't care. I want those eggs. I'm dead. Those spikes killed me instantly. Holy shit, the fucking lasers. Man, they really want me dead. They do not want me getting these eggs. I know, Jack. Because we've already jacked. We've jacked off. We've jacked off so many times already. Also, hello, guy. How are you? We've jacked off like a trillion times already. There's no more jack to be jacking. I know it's sad. I'm sorry, Muga. Also, hello, Muga. How are you? I'm sorry. I've done jacked. Listen. There's still 2 more Jack games, okay? We can still Jack 2 more times. I don't know if I'm gonna play those 2 Jack games, but there are still 2 Jack games we haven't played. Namely, Jack X Racing and what the fuck the other one was called? Whatever that dog shit game is. I haven't even played it. And I know it's already dog shit. Are we gonna jack on stream? You know it, baby. Like, of course I am. Where else am I gonna jack it? Jack it off stream? That's fucking boring. We jack on stream. I'm gonna jack so hard, G. Yes. Also, don't know if I'm gonna play the other ones. If I just want to go straight into Kingdom Hearts after finishing this game. Also, if our mission is to escape the palace, Why don't we just go back out like the way we came in? Okay. Ow. Do you own Kingdom Hearts? Yes. Okay, I own like 500 video games on Steam. I bought Kingdom Hearts like 3 years ago. And just never played it. That's not a joke. New Kingdom Hearts? Alright. I'll skip the rest of the Jak games. Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't care much about the other Jak games. I do not care too much about them. Like, there's a Jak racing game, which I've heard okay-ish things about. And there's also like the other game, which is not very well reviewed amongst the community. The community views it as like the worst video game of all time, so I'm not really looking forward to that game either. Whoa! We might just do that. We might try to like beat Kingdom Hearts 1 before I go on break, which I don't know if that's actually gonna happen. I don't know if I can beat Kingdom Hearts before I would have to go on break. Or when I go on break. Because I know Kingdom Hearts is a long game. They are very long games. Nah, I can speedrun it. I can definitely beat it in like some amount of time. Ah, thanks. They're not that long? Look, I think it's gonna take me like 2 months to get through all the Kingdom Hearts games. At least by my estimations. Like, I think it would take like a week per game, right? They're all about 30 hours each, so yeah, about a week per game. Considering that most of the games that I play Mugai are around 10 hours, that is kind of long. Can I go under this? I can. Most of the games that I play on stream are usually only around 10 hours to beat. The average, of course. And Kingdom Hearts is going to be a lot longer than that. And there's 8 of them. What do you mean skill issue? That's a time issue. How does my skill have anything to do with fucking the length of a video game? I'm sorry I have a job. And because I have a job, I cannot like spend all day streaming. Unfortunately, I have a job. I don't want a job. I'm gonna be honest. I kind of would prefer not to have one. Honestly, I would rather not have one. But hey, I need money, so. Unfortunately, money is something that, like, you know, people need to, like, stay alive. Which is, like, a fucking annoying thing. Ugh. I don't want a job. I want to be fucking useless. I want to be fucking useless, Chief. I want to spend all day playing video games. I don't want to work. I don't want to work. Ugh, I just want to play video games. I want to play the video wiggles. You know, video wiggle. Where the fuck do I go? Nani? Nani Desuka? That wasn't it. I'm gonna grab this other green ball. I need green ball. Also, it's getting hot in my room. I need to turn on my fans. Exclamation skill issue. Brendan is having a skill issue for the 100. I don't have skill issues. I'm very good at video games. Ah. Also, thank you, Rai, for just turning yourself into a bot. You have now just been a bot for this entire stream. Bot Rai. Ah. Get banned because you're a bot. Mods. Ban bot Rai. Mods. Step on Rai's balls. Mods. Drink a cup of tea. Mods. Nay on that baby. Mods. For shizzle my whizzle. Mods execute this peasant. I just died. Mods execute this peasant. Oh. That is the best one I've heard yet. Alright. Oh, so this is gonna be annoying. Please. Thank you. Fuck! I pressed jump, by the way. Man, this really is a PSP game. You can't double jump, by the way, if you're like falling. If you are falling, you cannot like double jump. You have to jump while you're still like gaining height from your first jump. Which is very weird. I mean, I guess it makes sense, but like, it's also weird. It's more weird than it makes sense. I mean, this is a PSP game after all. I can't, you know, complain too much about it. PSP game? Oh. I need to play more PSP games. I just don't know what PSP games there are. Like, this is the only PSP exclusive that I can actually think of. Please? Fuck! Daxter, you useless whore. Ugh. Ah, I wish I was a useless whore, but god damn it, Daxter is beating me in that regard. God damn it. Ah, you don't make sense? Thanks, I try. I try my best not to make sense. I know half the shit I say makes absolutely no sense. And I do that intentionally. To me, it's funny not to make sense. To me, it's absolutely funny not to make any fucking sense at all with like the unreasonable nonsense that comes out my mouth. Please make this Daxter. Daxter! Daxter! Thank you, Daxter. I wasn't even concerned. I wasn't even concerned. I wasn't even concerned. I wasn't even scared. I wasn't even scared. I wasn't scared in the slightest. I was actually 100% confident. Wasn't even stressed. Right. Oh, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, this is like a level in Sly Cooper. Holy shit, it's like in Sly Cooper. It's like in Sly Cooper. Alright. The lasers from Sly Cooper. I was scared. Oh my gosh, ah! Don't worry, right? I lived. Okay, you don't have to be scared. Listen, I wasn't scared because I had everything on. I was 100% under control, right? You don't have to be scared. I'll protect you. Ah, fuck. Where do I go? What? I can't go under that. I can't go under there. Underwear. I see you. I like under there. Okay. I make this? Thank you. Come on. Where do I go? Where do me how go in? Sorry, don't mind me just destroying some grandmother's ashes real quick. Okay. Dogs that can develop a fear of certain objects or stimulations if they have a negative experience with them. Yes. That is very much true. So can humans. Wow, dogs have emotions just like human beings? Yes. They do. Don't traumatize your dogs. Don't do it. Be nice to your dogs. Be nice to your puppies. Love them. Please? Fuck. That doesn't work. Come on. What the fuck do we do here? I can't get enough height for that. Can I traumatize my Twitch streamers? Yes. Streamers can absolutely be traumatized by that chat. If the chat tries hard enough, they absolutely can. Absolutely. You know it. Not me though, because I'm traumatized-less. Listen, I've already been traumatized enough. I can't be traumatized by my chat. I guess we can just go like straight over. No, we cannot go straight over. Maybe we can't go straight over. We can't go straight over. Fuck. Oh. That was stressful. But hey, we made it. Also, this place is not the same fortress as it was in Jak 2 or Jak. Yeah, Jak 2. I almost said Jak 3, but we didn't go here in Jak 2. Or Jak 3. We didn't go here in Jak 3. We only went here in Jak 2. And this is not the same place. Do you like peek your head out? I do. Thank you. Also, I just realized something. Isn't that like the infamous weapon? Isn't that like the weapon from Infamous that Daxter wields? Like the bug zapper? Like it's very similar to it. Fucking what's his face's weapon? I mean, to be fair, it's not the same, but like it's pretty close. Lord for what? Huh? From Infamous, the game, the hit game Infamous, which was also by not Naughty Dog, but by Sucker Punch, the people who made Sly Cooper. Like it looks like Cole McGrath's fucking bug zapper. It looks like his bug zapper. I'm not crazy, you're crazy. I'm not crazy, you're crazy. Crazy, I was crazy once. They locked me in a room, a rubber room. A rubber room with rats, and rats made me crazy. Ah! I'm not crazy, you're crazy. Everyone's crazy besides me, I'm the only normal one here. Ow. Ow! I'm dead. Sorry, I'm not a game. Apologies accepted. It's okay that you don't play video games. It's okay. There's too many video games to play after all, you know. Totally acceptable. Supposed to take me somewhere? Ah! Ow. When do we rescue Jak? Where's Jak at? Where's Jak, me boy? SpongeBob, me boy. Where's Jak, me boy, and SpongeBob, me boy? Where's my boy Jak? I feel like I'm not high enough. Let me grab the fire one instead. Fuck. We're fine. Hey. You're not going to watch the new SpongeBob movie, right? Dog, I didn't even know that there was a SpongeBob movie. I didn't even know that there was a new one. I'm not gonna. I don't give a shit about like the. No, I don't care about the new SpongeBob movie stuff. I don't care about the new SpongeBob stuff. Like I like a lot of the older SpongeBob things, but like newer SpongeBob crap, I just don't care about. The SpongeBob games, cool. But like the new SpongeBob shows and like the new SpongeBob movies and all that stuff, like it just don't interest me. I'm not a fan. I'm not much of a fan, I can't lie. Like I've seen a couple of the episodes of like the new SpongeBob stuff, and it's just like, it's so just, I don't know, weird. Like SpongeBob has always been weird, right? But it's weird in like, in not a SpongeBob way. It's weird in just a, like, what the fuck have they done to SpongeBob? What have they done to SpongeBob SquarePants? They gave up on writing interesting gags, and now like the gags are all like animation based. It's all just like weird animations and weird, like weird grotesque shit. Not grotesque, I don't know if that's the right word, but it's all about just making like weird shit. To me, it's like weird but not funny to watch. Yeah. Like it's not funny in the slightest. Gold! Oh my god, I'm fucking rich. Holy shit. Goddamn Praxis, spread the wealth. Holy fuck, look at these look at this gold, look at these emeralds, look at these diamonds. Holy shit, got this gold on my ring. Got this golden butt plug real quick. Got my golden cock ring. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, so I'm just not gonna be watching this. I don't care. As I said, there's only 2 movies that I care about that's coming out like soon. Oh yeah, money. But there's only 2 movies that I care about, and those being the Silent Hill 2 movie and the Markiplier movie. That's all I care about. Am I gonna go to the movie theaters to watch them? Probably not. Am I gonna wait for them to come to streaming services? Probably yes. Am I gonna watch them on the streaming service? Probably not. Am I going to forget that they exist and then completely forget to watch them on streaming services? Yes. I'm going to forget about it and just not watch them. Even though I say that they interest me. How many more eggies do we need for the last one? Because there should be one more movie. We should be like close. So we got 50 in this level alone. Or 45, or at least we're close to 50. Oh, so there's a shitload of eggies in this level. Ooh. Alright. I'll be honest, I don't think that I highly doubt the Silent Hill 2 movie is gonna be good. Because it is a video game movie. If it is good, hey, color me impressed. I doubt it will be though. I highly doubt it will be. I hope it is. Because I did like Silent Hill 2. Silent Hill 2 was a cool game. I enjoyed that game. It was a fun game. Minus, you know, like the combat. Thank you, camera. Oh. I fucking missed it.
Dark Eco is a dangerous toy.
That's crazy.
With Errol. This map of the prison shows 5 inmates who have been exposed to this disgusting Dark Eco. All have died save one. Your weapons program is a failure. Count Vega. You simply have no faith. This Jack person shows promise. The old hag Onan says he's special.
Okay.
What was that? Ah, bugs! I hate bugs. Everywhere these days. What was I saying?
Okay.
Yes. Light eco is the key. If we can find the secret of the precursors, The secret is fear, and turning our warriors into weapons with dark eco. We'll need something powerful to defeat the metalheads. It will be your downfall. These eco freaks will not save us.
Is this game canon?
Oh yeah, the roadmap to Jack.
Is this
Nice
game
going, little
canon
buddy.
to
Give me a high
the
quality.
Jak 2 and Jak 3 games? Or specifically Jak 2? Yes. Thank you for answering that, even though you have no idea. Because I feel like that's not what they were doing in Jak 2. I'm pretty sure that's not what they were doing to Jak in like Jak 2. Because Praxis was the one who was doing the Orc Eco project, right? And Praxis 100% knew who Jak was. At least I'm pretty sure he knew who Jak was. Jak wasn't like some random nobody. To him at the very least.
Tick. No, these clothes won't fit me, but maybe Jack. can
Hey, we
fit
get
them.
the threads for Jak. Jak, me boy. Oh my gosh, the shoes. It's Jak's clothes. That's just Jak's outfit. That's Jak's outfit right there. Wait a minute, what? That's Jak's outfit. But there's also no, that's just straight up Jak's outfit. Is that his outfit in Jak 3? Hold on, I have to look this up. Jak 3. I think that's his Jak. No, that's not a Jak 3 outfit. That's just Jak 2 outfit, right? What's Jak 1? No, that says Jak 1 outfit. Yeah, this is Jak 1 outfit. Sorry, I don't remember what the clothes are. I know that Jak's outfit. I just didn't remember which game that was from. That was his Jak 1 outfit right there. So why didn't we just grab his original clothes? We literally grabbed new clothes for Jak. I mean, hey, he's dripped as fuck, right? In the second game. In the second game, he's got that fucking drip, right? I can kind of understand Daxter's taste, but like, at the same time, why? Why? Why not just grab his own clothes? What was the need to get like new dreads for him? Huh? Why you need the new clothes? Right? No, don't question. It's a children's video game. Stretch. I shall stretch. Stretching. Also, I scammed Bagitzi out of a stretch earlier, I just realized. Because he redeemed stretch. My fault. My fault, Bagitzi. You scammed, idiot. Yo, what up, dude? What up, dude? Poor Bagitzi. Ow.
I don't care what you say. We're doing our best.
Will your
I
best
just kicked my
isn't good enough.
foot,
Look,
and my
there
foot
are
is
bugs
hurt
even in your own
because I heard it during
establishment.
work.
Tick.
That's how it's done.
Okay.
And you're next. Now you die.
That's crazy. Not Santa Claus. No. Santa. No. Oh. What? Oh. Not Tick. Not Santa Claus. Santa. He's okay. Holy shit, Santa. Holy shit. Santa's a fucking tank.
Everything I've worked for. God.
He just fucking tanked an
worry.
explosion. He was next to
I'll
that
get
shit.
blowhard metal bug for what he did.
He was standing right next to
Gotta
that.
go save my friend Jack. I'll just need a plan. Are you sure this is safe?
Okay.
Trust me, you're looking radical.
Santa survived all this.
Totally
He did.
extreme.
That's great. Santa's fucking built.
Then lower
Santa
me.
is fucking built
This
different.
asshole is on a mission.
And it's totally possible.
The explosion destroyed a whole building, but he fucking tanked that shit. Dude! Oh. Alright, thanks, dude.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
I'm okay. Splat. Finish the jab. Gotta get my jab done. This is probably the final level, if I were to take a guess. Oh shit.
You see something?
That's just a fucking soldier. That's crazy.
Where are the prisoners?
That's a full ass soldier right there. I wasn't expect. Oh, we weren't supposed to go that way at all, I don't think. Oh no, we were supposed to go that way. What is this patrol pattern? Why are they just walking back and forth in this like short? What is this hallway? What type of guard walks in a hallway like this? What? All right. Full ass, yes. Why is there a second one? I'm not. He had his full ass out there. Then you got that Santa ass on point. Oh, he's chasing us. That's crazy. Alright. Oh my gosh, is this Subway Surfers? Is this Subway Surfers because he's chasing us? Is this Subway Surfers because he's chasing us? Holy shit, this is Subway Surfers. This is basically like Subway Surfers. This is like the exact same as Subway Surfers. Oh my gosh, Subway Surfer gameplay right here. Holy shit, Subway Surfer. He's coming, he's getting closer. Ah, this is actually Subway Surfers, we saw him. Oh. Like in Subway Surfers, when you like hit an obstacle, like the guard will like show up like after. He's there again. Ah. I guess he would work at a bakery or do or live in a bakery. He would be the food inside the bakery. He is a baguette. He's not working in a bakery. He is the product being sold in a bakery. He is not a person, he is a baguette. Oh. Fun. Where does this take me? Because there's a hallway there. Where does this take me? Those are just metalheads here. Ow. Ow. I'm out of juice. I can't. Dude. Dude, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Alright. That wasn't a pain. Don't do it. Don't do it. God damn it. Alright, let's try this again. This time, let's not die. This time, let's actually just grab this and, like, fucking set everything on fire. Never mind, let's not set everything on fire. Let's actually die. Hey. Easy. You know, I'm somewhat of a gamer. I play video games from time to time. I didn't mean to do that one. I'm gonna do the fire. I missed. I also play video games from time to time. I'm glad we both play video games from time to time. Oh my gosh, you're just like me, for real, for real. Oh. Remember just like Chatter, we play video games from time to time? Oh my gosh. Really? That's crazy. I missed the fucking egg. I missed... Alright. We have so much in common. Oh my gosh, we have so many holes in common. Oh my gosh, please. Daxter. Thank you, Daxter. Oh my gosh, we both have holes. Oh. We have so much in common. Yeah. Also, you only play horror games. You only play Silent Hill and Resident Evil. That's the only thing that you play. You only play retro games and horror games. I mean, I play those as well. False? Not false. Oh yeah, you play Demon Souls as well. That's right. You're actually right. That's false. It's only how they come from the same moon. Oh my gosh. Hello, Scoob. Hello, Scoob. I am glad you're enjoying the incest. Hello, Scoob. How are you? Did you enjoy the new Final Fantasy 14 update? I played Crash Bandicoot. Oh my gosh, you played Crash Bandicoot. That's a game that I should play. It's actually surprising that I haven't played Crash Bandicoot. I think it's more surprising that I haven't played that game, considering that I play a lot of, 3D platforms. Ayo. Hello, Scoob. That was the Final Fantasy IV update. If they made some pretty good changes for the few systems, it's nice to have like the drive to play the game. Well, that is fair and also very good. I've heard some good things about it, namely the new cosmetics system. How they have, they unlocked all the cosmetics for like all the classes, which is very nice. As fashion is in. What? You're pissing out my ass sideways. What? What was that? What was that? He just sniped me through the... He sniped me through the wall. Okay. I had to DDU my GPU drivers. What? I don't know what that is. I don't know what DDU in your GPU drivers is or means. Cause Windows has a third, more mysterious automatic updating system I've never seen before that I might have messed with my driver. Windows is dude. Please give me Linux, please. Does Final Fantasy 14 work on Linux? Does FF14 even work on Linux? Ow. Ow. You use display driver uninstaller to completely clean slate drivers. I don't know this. To be honest. Anyways, go use Linux. It's cool. Also, I should probably play Final Fantasy 14 again at some point. Considering I did say that I want to play all the Final Fantasy games, I gotta add Final Fantasy 11 and 14 to that list. So. No, listen, if and when I play all the Final Fantasy games, do I have to play 11 and 14? Do I have to play 11 and 14? Do I have to? Oh. Has had to deal with way too many drivers. Same here, because Windows is shit. Also ads. All that for games is insane because there's like 70. Yes, you're right, there is. I'm probably not gonna play every single one of them, but I'm gonna play like all the main ones. All the mainline games. That's like 2,000 plus hours. Absolutely not. All right, so we skip 11 and 14 then. Mainlands is a good idea. Yeah, like so you know like 1 through 16 minus 11 and 14, and then like 10-2 and like all the 13 ones. Ads, do you even get ads? I would be surprised if you didn't have just a fucking ad block. Watch a lower video for 11, to be honest. It's too old. You know what? Fair enough. But I could also just play it. I probably won't. I'm not. It's a fucking MMO. I might just skip it. Anyways, I'm gonna go take a break and unleash liquid from my body. Baby. Oh, as I am back in the envtuber task area. Yeah, they're back. Playing the music. I'm gonna go back and finish this game. Because we're at the end. I'm like 90% sure this is like the last level. Alright. Anyways, that's gonna be my goal for Final Fantasy, or my goal for like 2027. Like after the FF7 Final Fantasy 7, like the remake games finish, because there's gonna be one more of those, right? There's gonna be one more of the Final Fantasy 7 remake games. After that, I want to at least try, because I keep saying that I don't like turn-based games, and I don't, because I tried playing Final Fantasy X before, and I wasn't the biggest fan of Final Fantasy X when I tried it. AO rating in Final Fantasy 14, by the way. AO doing hard and like extreme activities. Oh hell yeah. Final Fantasy X is so worth it for its story. I tried Final Fantasy X. The problem is like the gameplay is just not my thing. I just missed that. Okay, ignore that. I very much do not like the gameplay. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I dropped the game after 30 minutes because I was just not a fan of the gameplay. The gameplay was something that just turned me off so fast. And I have depth perception issues. Okay. You shoot the game and play the game first. I'm not going to... that's lame. I'm not going to do that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with doing that. It is a single player game, but like... I feel like I'd be cheating myself more than I would be cheating the game. Please grab the egg. Dude, I missed the egg like 5 times. Hold on. Dude, I can't. What is my depth perception? My depth perception. Holy shit, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, thank fucking Christ. It took me like 10 tries. Oh my god, please. Oh. But the TBC doesn't disagree with your gameplay. Wants, so it's justifiable. Yeah. I mean, but still, I just don't want to do it. Like, I want to enjoy turn-based games. Like, that's the problem. I want to enjoy turn-based games. So, like, that's why I say it. That's why I bring up Final Fantasy, by the way. After Final Fantasy VII, the remake games finish, I'm going to try. I'm going to give a good, honest try to enjoy turn-based. I'm going to full send myself to the Final Fantasy games and try to complete them after the remake, after like I finish FF7 remake, right? Because I want to enjoy them. I don't know if I can enjoy them, but I really want to try to enjoy them. Well, now, does it disagree with what you like, or however you say it? FF10 is actually known as one of the turn-based combat systems because he has order priority shifting values in all moves. I have no idea what that means. You are speaking a bunch of mumbo jumbo right now. Explain it in first-person shooter terminology. Explain it in Fortnite terms. Explain it as if we were playing Fortnite right now. Explain it in TikTok terms. I was under the thing still. What do you mean? Oh, game. Bro, these scars are fucking snappy with them. God damn. Because I also want to try out Claire Obscure and Refantasio Metaphor. Or Metaphor Refantasia. Right? Because I've also heard very good things about those. Again, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy them because they're turn-based games. But I want to try to. You motherfucker! It was around the corner. Aww. They balance your bolt action rechamber speed based off how strong the bootlet is. Ah. I see, I very much understand that as well.
You see something?
Okay. So it's not just your standard turn-based game, is what you're saying. So it might actually be somewhat interesting. Which, by the way, I have played and enjoyed a singular turn-based game. There has been exactly one turn-based game that I have actually genuinely sat down and enjoyed. And it was my favorite game of this year. My favorite game that I played this year was a turn-based game. Believe it or not. Despite not liking it. That was the only turn-based game I've ever played. In Stars and Time. In Stars and Time, fantastic game, one of the best games I've ever played. And I don't like turn-based games. That's just how good the story was. And it's actually very complex because there's all strategy to all your moves. Ah. Strategy! Also, Expedition 33 is the most active turn-based combat system due to quick time events. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, what is this? Fucking... oh, that's not good. I was gonna make a joke about the quick time events, but then I died. Quick time events in Expedition 33, what is that? A fucking PlayStation 3 game from the year 2011? And I am glad that they do not... Is that a thing from one of the Jak games up there? Is that a poster from one of the Jak games? I think that is. Oh, that's bad. That's actually bad. It's actually fine. I'm actually a gamer. I'm actually gaming. Something that people praise because the game is actually good. Have you played the game? Or are you just saying that because because it won like Game of the Year? Either way, fair, right? Because if it is as popular as it is, it's probably as like decently good, right? I should go play it if alone for the fact that I won game. Spoon! Spoon. Spoon. There's spoon. Spoon on ground. Spoon. Spoon. Nope, I've seen a lot of it and I get it. It's a lot more interesting. That is fair. I haven't seen much gameplay because it is a game that I might potentially play in the future, so I've kind of just like avoided looking at it. Oh shit, I didn't mean to go down here. Or I didn't want to go down here yet. Because there was stuff up here. Like eggs. Any eggs? Final Fantasy 2 might fall asleep, but Expedition 33 won't due to engagement. So what you're saying is I should play Final Fantasy, or I should play Expedition 33. I've also heard that the game is like really fucking difficult. Or at least it gets really difficult. Elevator? It has very in-depth combat. Has some very difficult bosses. Because I've seen accounts that are like dedicated to like Souls games and like playing very difficult games. Play Expedition 33. And I do like myself some difficult games. That's a guard. I probably could have gone. Probably would have been safe. But now I'm too much of a coward. It's been too long. I have to wait now. Now we go. There's nothing in there. No, Daxter, why would you jump off that? Okay. Anyways, moral of the story, Final Fantasy X, boring. Final Fantasy, or Expedition 33, very interesting. Oh my gosh. A metalhead leader.
And I must contemplate how to
And fucking this dude.
for your disservice.
Why is this Jak creature so important?
Okay.
And that annoying orange fur bag, he's nothing but a trifle.
You have no idea how important they both are to the cosmos.
They indeed are important.
Daxter must not be allowed to rescue Jak. Do
Okay.
you understand?
I will see to it personally.
Yes. But if you fail, maybe that orange rat can still be of service.
Okay.
I will not fail. This isn't over yet.
Okay.
If Daxter breaks the eco-user out of prison, this Jak, I can still meet them both outside, in disguise.
Of course, in disguise.
An old man would win their confidence. I can still get what I want.
Yes.
I will get
With a
this
random
Daxter
child who definitely isn't Jak. But like as a child. I have a feeling that this game's story isn't like fully canon. Or at least they retcon some things in this game. I feel like they retcon some. I feel like they are definitely retconning some things. I feel like they are taking some creative liberties because this isn't by this game is not by Naughty Dog. It was a different team who made this game. They did retcon stuff. I don't remember much of what. Yeah, they did absolutely retcon stuff. They absolutely did. They did a lot. Yeah. I mean, it's fine-ish for retconning, like as long as they make it interesting. But like, the story was fine in Jak. Why do they need a retcon? Ah. Oh. Hmm. Why do they have to retcon? Ah. What? Can I just like do this? I'm missing the egg. Bruh. I'm floating through the. Oh, that's bad. I'm missing the. I missed every single egg. I missed every fucking egg. Alright. No one saw that. No one saw me miss every single one of them. I think it was just too high. Just slightly too high. And I still enjoy this game. I don't like this game as much as like Jak 2 or Jak 3. Those games were definitely better. But I am enjoying this game. For what it's worth. What is certifiably a PSP experience. What the fuck? Nani? Nani Desica? Okay. Can I even make? Oh no, I have to. I just go back. All right. Was there even a point of going over there? But I mean, I guess I did kill more metalheads, so. I did kill some metalheads. What? Oh. Do they also retcon things in the other, in like Jak X? I mean, Crew is alive in Jak X, so I guess it would be like a retconning in like some theory. I don't know. I haven't played Jak X. Was I supposed to do something, by the way? What? Oh. Jak X was kind of its own thing? Hmm. I see. It's like Crash Team Racing? Yeah, but I thought the story was at least like semi-relevant to like the actual game. None of it's supposed to make sense? You know what? Fair enough. What? Maybe, but I don't remember what is really relevant. Well, also fair. And you know what? We'll find out in like 5 months when I, play the next Jak game. It's been like 3 months since we played Jak 3, by the way. Like, we started the Jak games back in like August. Ah, that's what we were supposed to do. Ah. It's taking us fucking forever to get through these games. Wait, hold on. What if I just... It's mainly because we got sidetracked. And guess what? It's gonna happen again. It's gonna fucking happen again. We're gonna... Oh shit. That's so fast. Hey, we just fell. Bruh. Bruh. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Crazy, I was crazy once. Alright, let's try this again. But this time, let's not fall off. Thoughts? Thoughts. Okay, let's just stand still. And hope that it goes perfectly. Okay, it did. Now we have to go back and get the metalheads now. I have to go back over to these sides. because we fell off and died. Oh well. But yeah, it's probably gonna be like another few months before we do Jak X. Because I want to start Kingdom Hearts. I mean, we could do Jak X tomorrow. And like save Kingdom Hearts for when I come back from the break. Because I will be taking a break next week. Another break from streaming. I know I was gone. I was gone because I was sick, I know. I'm gonna have to take another break because I'm gonna have family over. For Christmas. And I might just wait and start Kingdom Hearts for like when I'm, you know, after family leave. Because Kingdom Hearts is gonna take forever. That's gonna take fucking forever. And then sometime after Kingdom Hearts, we can finally do Ninja Gaiden. But we do love a bit of Kingdom Hearts. We do. Kingdom Hearts is interesting, right? I've never played Kingdom Hearts. I never played that growing up. So I am interested. Holy fuck, I spent an hour looking at the notes and law. We found so far in blueprints. No spoilers, lore. I have not played blueprints. I'm also probably not going to play blueprints, so I don't care about spoilers. Also, Blair, go away. This game has electricity in it. It has a lot of electricity. Blair, go away. Shoo. I mean, I appreciate you for stopping by, Blair, but like, go away. Or at least don't, or at least like turn off the visuals so you don't see them. Also, hello, Blair. How are you? Think. Go away, Blair. Don't look at the electricity. Literally, our like melee attacks are electricity. Everything is electricity. Like all the enemies use electricity. Everything in this is electricity. Go away. Phew. Baby. Then head back to work and grab something I forgot in the mouth. Okay. Bye bye, Scoop. I appreciate you for stopping by. Go grab stuff. Go grab stuff. Go grab it. Ah. Luckily, I haven't forgotten anything at work yet. I'm sure it's gonna happen one day. I usually forget things at home before going into work. That's my problem. That has been my problem. That has unironically been my issue on multiple occasions. That I've just forgotten shit before going into work. And I was like too lazy to go back home and get it. So I said, fuck it, we'll ball. I gotta be right on the fucking edge. I fell off. Okay, momentum is a thing. Momentum is a thing in this video game. Momentum is a thing. Momentum is a thing. There do be momentum. Momentum is real. Sir Isaac Newton was correct. Okay. Fuck! What do you mean I didn't? Oh, I was trying to adjust my position right before I went to the... You know what? I don't care anymore. I don't care about the eggs. I'm not gonna lie. I don't give a shit anymore. I've stopped caring after that one death. I no longer care about the collectathon. Okay. I've completely given up on the eggs. I mean, we have enough eggs to get the last movie reference. The last movie sleep stream thing or whatever it's called. I don't remember what it's called. I don't care enough. At least we should have enough by now. If we don't, fuck me. Fuck me, I don't care about movies. Fuck me, I don't watch movies. We also don't need that over there, but like, I mean, I guess we can grab it. How the fuck do we even get over there? What? How the fuck do we get over there? Nah, I don't care. Nah, I don't care. How would we get over there? What? Nah, I don't care. I don't care. I don't get paid enough to care. Yeah, I don't get paid enough to care. Oh my gosh,
Oh
cutscene.
yeah. Let's see what's on the tube tonight.
Oh hell yeah. Give me on the
Boring,
YouTube.
boring. Seen it.
It's on the
Rerun.
YouTubes.
Hated it. Boring. I was up for that part.
Ah.
Sorry,
Ooh,
ladies.
ooh, ladies.
I didn't know Crimson girls took showers.
Okay.
Jack!
Jack!
I'm coming for
Jack
you,
me
buddy.
boy! The cutscene from Jack 2. That's just straight up the cutscene from Jack 2. Hey.
Just checking.
Okay. Jack me boy! What? Oh shit. Do we have to like press them before they get there, or what? Just press them as soon as possible? I don't know. Or do we have to like wait until they get to the center part? I'm just pressing them. I'm just pressing buttons, Chief. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, we failed. I pressed the one wrong button and we failed instantly. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. My fault, gang. So I was doing it correctly. I'm just stupid and pressed the wrong button. Also, one failure and that's it? Aw. To be fair, it's just pressing buttons. Like, even Jak 2 wasn't that bad with like one failure. Man, this is some very interesting button pressing gameplay. This is some very interesting gameplay. Very interesting button pressing. Oh, alright. I don't know what the point of that was, but hey, we did it. We can just do it again. Was there even a point in doing that? What's a portal? No, I didn't want to go that way anyways. I didn't want to go that way. I didn't even want the portal. I didn't even need the portal. Oh,
Hey,
the
freeze
dude!
breath.
Do you like killing metal bugs?
I mean, it's
Well, there
great.
is a certain top of the food chain satisfaction to the whole.
Why don't you
What the
pick on
fuck?
a bug?
Oh. That's crazy.
Technically, you are actually a lot bigger.
That is true, he is much bigger than us. And why did he just run away? What? He could have just like squashed us there. And he instead decides to fly to the center of the arena and like actually give us a chance. I just fell off the map instantly. Holy shit, the sun. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Stop running. I fell off it again. I've done it 2 times now, where I've fallen off. Get back here. You whore. Come on. Hey. I used the right weapon. Ow. Ow. Can I get some healing? Okay. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's even crazier. Alright, I can't get hit. Simple as is. Just don't get hit, forehead. Just don't get hit, forehead. I mean, I still have 2 hours of HP, not just 1. I can survive at least 1 hit. Alright. At least I believe I can. Bitch. Fuck you. I wanted to see if I could double hit him. I still don't know if I actually can or not. Because I probably should have jumped there when he did the first attack. I just did because I'm dumb. I didn't think about it. Okay. Ah! Wait, did I just double hit him? Uh-oh. I need more juice. I'm out of juice. Huh? What are you doing now? I'm scared. No, that's what he's doing now. Fuck. I need to... I have to restart the entire thing. Fuck. In the styling. That's crazy. Oh no, we don't have to restart. I skipped the cutscene on accident. My fault, gang. My fault, my fault, my fault, my fault. Ow. Well, apparently there's no platform, by the way. Oh. 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 You like not lock the camera? Alright. Yeah. Wait, what? What? Where'd he go? I didn't know what to do there. I'm struggling. I mean, at least we had a checkpoint. Once I have to phase 2. So I can be as stupid as I want to be. Yeah. I think we go over here. I would assume so. That would be the reasonable assumption. We jump over to this. Okay. Ow. I mean, we didn't do any damage to him. They're just draining the room right now. Come on, you bug bastard, you big bug. And he's gone. Get back here. Let me beat your ass. That damaged me? I was probably supposed to go in for an attack. Yep, I was 100% supposed to do that. Yep, I was 100% supposed to go in for an attack. Oh. 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 Hey. Uh-oh. That's not good. You pissed it as fuck. What? That's crazy. Okay. Okay. Now he's frozen. Oh. Oh my gosh, like frozen like Elsa. Oh. Frozen like Elsa. Oh. Okay. Fire. Fire is more energy conservative. Fun. Get closer to him. Explosion! Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Come on. Fuck you! I put the wrong one. There we go. Hopefully I still have time now. I should. Please tell me I have enough. Fuck you! Oh my gosh! Boss fight! Oh! Oh my god! Whoa! And he escaped. Oh, he's not dead yet. There's another phase to this fight, apparently. He's not in the Jak 2 or Jak 3 game, so like we have to kill him for this. Oh, did he just die in this room? Did he just crawl away and just die? Is that what happened? That's crazy. That is what happened. That's exactly what happened. He crawled away and just died.
Bring it on, butt breath. I just stopped you, didn't I?
What happens?
Okay.
My master will be waiting for you and Jak.
Okay.
Outside where?
It's already written. The city will
Okay.
be ours.
Okay.
Whoa! Gnarly!
Gnarly, dude.
Excellent work, dude!
Dude, what a
That's
dude.
right. Heroes always
I'm
find a way to
dude.
get it done.
I'm
no
such a
matter
dude.
what the hardship.
Yeah! Well, the map here says this door was open all the time. You could have
Okay.
just walked in. Oh, and you left
Of course.
behind your sidekick's threads.
I knew that. Now I must be off for my date with destiny.
Okay.
Fare thee well, my fine fan. Parting is such sweet.
Okay. Oh, dude.
It's a heroic exit.
That's crazy, dude. That's
And
sick.
that's
Ugh.
how I saved Jak.
Okay. Hmm. Well, apparently the girl is there, so they're, it's not just like, you know, it's something that Daxter made up like half the shit. But hey, they definitely a lot of things were not. They were retconned. There was good bit of things that were retconned, which is fine, I guess. There's nothing inherently wrong with retconning. It's just, you know, kind of like eh. Because they were like, wait a minute, hold on, the original games were like that. Why is this good? But anyways, that was Jak. I mean, Jak. There was no Jak in this game. My fault. G. There was no Jak. This is actively no Jak territory. This is actively not jacking. No jacking. No Jak. This was just Daxter. But that was Daxter. Just Daxter, no Jak. And this game was okay. It wasn't the greatest thing. It wasn't the worst thing. It was good, don't get me wrong, I like this game. But I don't think it was as good as like Jak 2 or Jak 3. It was definitely a spin-off game. It was definitely a spin-off type game. It was 100% a spin-off. And it was also a PSP game. There was a lot of mini games. Mini games were eh. Any other eh. Platforming, good. Combat, eh. Story, also eh. Overall, this game was. I mean, I liked it. It just, you know, just wasn't as good as like the other Jak games. So. But anyways, that was Daxter. We still have 2 more Jak games. Again, I'm not sure whether I'm going to play Kingdom Hearts tomorrow and just be like, get like halfway through the game before like taking a break. And then like coming back in 2 weeks and finishing it. Or if I'm just going to do it like, you know, yes. I don't know what I'll do. We'll decide tomorrow. We'll say fuck it, we ball tomorrow. Fuck it, we ball, brother. Fuck it, we ball. I also am not sure if I want to even play the other 2 Jak games, to be fair. Because A, there's a racing game, and I'm not the biggest fan of racing games. Which we still should play, it's probably gonna be decent. And there's also the Lost Frontier, which again, are not very good things about. I still should play them just to, you know, close out the Jak series. Just so I can play it, say I played them all. Because I haven't played Jak X or Lost Frontier. Memoriam, John, these people, John Claudia, Mel and Fart, Fant. Yeah, I couldn't read all that. My fault. Also, don't know who those people are. Don't know who those people are. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if they're important for like Jak's development cycle, but I'm not sure who those people are, Coach. Not sure. Anyways, we have one more bedtime level. Nap time. I want to do that. I want to do the nap time level to see what it is. Nap time. Is that a Harry Potter? Oh, you're a wizard, are you? Oh, or maybe it's Dungeons and Dragons, and it's just like some random. I don't know. That straight up looks like one. That's just straight up a dude from like Jak 2, but like on fire. Is it actually a movie reference? I don't know a movie reference to movies. Go on. Fuck you. Get magic, idiot. What? Alakazam. Jellicabam. Your balls have been deleted. In the circle. Square. X. There was an X immediately after that. Circle. I wasn't expecting it to come so fast. Triangle. Triangle again. Square. Circle. X. What? You're jorking my peen. You're jorking my peen sideways. Nah. Nah, man. No. Fuck. Okay. Come on. Okay. Oh, this one doesn't have any of the skill combo things. Anyways, Yeetus Deletus, your balls are now a fetus. X square. Circle, triangle. Circle, triangle. Square, circle. X. Triangle. Down, 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 up, down, down. There's just all downs. I forgot to make a spell name. Okay. Triangle. Square. X. Circle. Circle. X. Triangle. Square. X. Circle. Up, right, down, 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 right, right. Smorgasbord, your face is now just get murdered, idiot. Alright. Well, that was the last thing. I have no idea what reference that was. It might have been. I don't think that was Harry Potter. Might have been Dungeons and Dragons. I have no fucking clue. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know who the fuck that was. But hey, we beat it. We beat Daxter. Again, this game was alright. Didn't love this game, didn't hate this game. It was kind of just whatevs. Whatevs bevs, in my opinion. It was alright. I still enjoyed it. I still enjoyed this game. Let me turn that down. Let me switch over here. Let me go here, and let me go do this real quick. Actually, I'm gonna just turn off my PS5. Let me just turn off my PS5 real quick. Because there's nothing else I'm gonna be doing on my PS5 tonight. I'm just gonna turn it off. Turn off. My PS5 has been turned off. My PS5 has been turned off. Music has been played again. We have beat the game. The game is over. We have exploded the game into a million pieces. And now, it's about time to call. We finished the game. There's nothing else I want to do tonight. I could switch to Night Rain and like do like the new shit. Like, We might do that tomorrow. Alright. And just try to like stall. Before I like disappear for like a week or something like that. Because I don't know when I'm going to disappear, but I know I'm going to disappear for a little bit. I don't know how long I'm going to disappear for. I don't know when I'm going to disappear, but it should be around Christmas time. Tomorrow we might play Night Rain, maybe more Night Rain, and be like a rage baby in that game. Or we might just do something. We might do something else, and we might do something else. I don't know. I'll decide. Who knows what we'll do? I'll figure it out. Fuck it, we ball. Fuck it, we ball, brother. That is how I am in life. I'll decide, man. I'll decide. Now, we thank you for beating me up. I appreciate it. I'm sorry, I'm indecisive. I'm sorry, I'm indecisive about what I want to play. We will decide then. But anyways, it do be time to call it. It do be dooby. It's Scooby Dooby Doo. Where are you? That's all that, Mr. Lee. Good night, Pat Riaz vlog. I appreciate you for stopping by. Hello there. Hello, Rife. Anything I want to talk about at the end of the stream? Anything worth talking about? Ow, you think we're beating me up? Yeah, so like I appreciate it. Thank you for beating me up. Thank you for giving me brain damage. I appreciate it. I don't have any words. I don't have any words of wisdom. Be gay, do ass. Do crime, do drugs. Remember chat, do drugs, drink alcohol. Gamble your money away. Give me your money. Anyway, it's time to call it. We're gonna rate it Quasar, because it's been a minute since I rated Quasar. Very wise indeed. I am the wisest. No one's more wise than me. He's playing Palworld. He was playing the Pokemon game that isn't Pokemon. Very wise. I am the wisest. No one's more wise than me. Do drugs, murder people, be gay, have sex. Yes. Very nice. You should apply that wisdom. You know, I would, but like, I'd have to go outside and like talk to women and like also do drugs. Why is it that you're so much wiser because you've done drugs and alcohol? That's why you're so wise. But anyways, it's about time to call it. If you have a sub, you can use the first message with the Hurden arriving emotes. If you do not have a sub, you can use the second message with the less than 3 heart emotes. On the note, I appreciate you for stopping by, Rai. I appreciate you for stopping by VI's vlog. I appreciate you for stopping by Blair, even though you disappeared because there was electricity. I appreciate you for stopping by Scoob, even though you left because you had to go pick up something from work. I appreciate you for stopping by Megatsy and anyone else who is lurking. But on that note, have a good night. Have a good morning. And if you have a raid, you can use the third sub message. Yes, you can use the third sub message as well. But if you have bye, but have a good night. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.